Gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in. Happy Friday to you all. Welcome, welcome. How we doing today? W's in the chat. Oh, the chat, it got motion, man. We got vibes in the chat here today. It is Friday. It is a great day. It is a new day. It is a day for us to rejoice and be glad in it, friends. We're gonna have a great day here today. Let me get situated on my end, and we're gonna get the party started. Yes, we are. Who do we got? Oh, Storm Player's in the house. What up, Storm Player? We got, Z Gamers in the house. Joe Stewart's in the building. What up, Joe Stewart? Got a Trades here. Yanosha's here. Oh, yeah. See, this is the chat that I know. This is the chat that I miss right here. George VDM's in the building, right? Where I can't even read the names. Rapid Max is on fire. What up, Rapid Max? Got a Trade. AB Mike's in the house. What's good? What up, Pete the G? Ewan's in the building. What up, Ewan? PM Magnifico's in the house. Louis G is in the building. What up, Louis G? What's good, everybody? What's good? What's good? What up? What up? Let me share my screen. Wow. Whose money is in the building? Whose money? Whose money? Who's got my money? What up, Tom? Tom's in the building. Yo, 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 yo. Hero of the Day is in the house as always. What up, Hero of the Day? What up, Ricardo? What's good, boys? Chala's in the building. What up, Chala? YOLO Trader. What up, Rob Trades? What's good, everyone? Candle Slanger's in the building. TTW's in the house. What's good, James Moore? What's good, bro? Just Win is in the house. What up, Just Win? He's just winning. Wow. A lot of real ones. A lot of real ones. Purpose. Hey, what up, Purpose? George Young's in the building. What up, Kelvin? Good morning, Kelvin. Good afternoon. All right, let me just send the Zoom link out in the Discord, and we'll get started here. All right, that's good. All right, and let me share my screen. And I think we are ready to rock and roll. What do you say? You ready to rock and roll? Rock and roll time, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What up, Rich and Royal's in the building? What up, Rich and Royal? Nikolovsky's here, too, I know, somewhere. Nikolovsky, you here? Yeah, where's Mike been? Where's Mike at, man? Mike. We tried to give him the platform, man. Let's go. Hey, who's winning the 50K challenges today? If you feel like you're winning, give the stream a like for some extra luck here today. And type a W in the chat. I'm excited. I'm excited to see who wins this. These two accounts. These are life-changing accounts here, man. Let me lower the music, and we're gonna get the party started. Yeah, how's the music, guys? Everything good? You guys can hear me well? Who's winning today, baby? Let's go. Dennis Hood's in the building. What up, Dennis Hood? Bink, bink, bink. Throw some binks in the chat if you're excited here today. We're going to get the party started. Let me just bring this chat over here and, yeah, do all this. Yeah, somebody asked if I have the book Born Rich. Yes, I do. Yes, sir, gang. You were already born rich. Let me read you something from the first page. Says that you were already born rich. Now you just need to figure out how much money you really want to have. Okay? You already made it, G. You already made it. All right. Walk in that today. Yes, sir. All right, let's get going. What up, Travis? Good morning, brother. What up, Joseph? Yeah, my two boys there in Zoom. Yeah, let's go. I win. You're already winning, baby. Let's get it. All right, welcome in, ladies and gents. What up, Alexandros in the building? Hope you guys are doing well. What up, trader next door? Okay, good trade there in London session, man. Yeah, Sergio TT Bank Santos is in the house. What up, Sergio TT Bank Santos? All right. Anyway, let's get started here, gang. Today is Friday. Welcome in. If you guys can like the stream for me, that would be great. If you can't like the stream for me, like the stream for a little bit of extra luck here today to potentially win a $50,000 challenge account. If you're not subbed to the channel, you got to subscribe to the channel in order to win, and give the stream a like for a little bit of extra luck here today. We're going to pray. I'm going to pray for those who I'm going to pray over the winners, and we're going to get the day started. Cool? So, Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day. Lord, we thank you for just flooding us with your love, with your peace, Lord. We thank you for wisdom. I pray for those who win the 50K challenge accounts today, Lord. I pray that they wouldn't just go full margin, Lord, but they would take it, understand that it's a spiritual seed, Lord, to potentially impact their life and their families' lives and those of the people around them. So I pray that whoever it is, it would be specifically called by you, that they would be specifically picked by you for a reason, Lord, and that they would go out and do great things with it. That's our honest prayer here today, Lord. We thank you for being a part of these live streams. We just give you all the glory for the blessings and the gifts that you've given us, and we just thank you. In Jesus' name, amen. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Big winners today. Big winners. You've already been preyed upon. The winners are already picked. They're already winners. Cool. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Amen's in the chat. All right, let's get started here. Now that we're prayed up, we're going to have a great day. So, welcome in again, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday. It is the 26th of January. So, closing out the month here. Pretty good month for us. Pretty good start to the year. Things should really get ramping as we move into February and then into March and April. You should see some really, really nice movement in the markets here. So today is Friday, though. We don't have much news in the headlines today. All we have is core PCE price index at 830. We'll be aware of that. We'll kind of see how numbers come out, see which way price wants to go, and we'll be all over it from that point. And then, we just have these yellow folders here throughout the session, so nothing too crazy, just another normal day on the New York session here. So let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's see what we got going on here and do a top-down analysis. And I think the music should be good, right? Yeah, we should be good. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis here on gold. And then we'll take a look at pound yen, NASDAQ, and set the day up here. So taking a look at gold, right? So taking a look at the weekly time frame now. So you have the weekly candle that has pushed down. Today is the last day of the week. It does not look like we have really tapped into that support again, right? We did tap into it here. As you guys know, price is moving up on the weekly time frame, right? So as price begins to move up, it will have these pullbacks, right? As you can see, pullbacks, right? And now this may be a pullback for price to continue up. We have to keep in mind that the monthly candle is bullish. We did close bullish. We have, outside of this whole market structure, we have also, as we zoom in here, we understand that we have created a support. We came up to create a resistance, and now that support had been retested already last week. So for all we know, this weekly candle may close bullish here today, creating a support for next week's candle to begin to drive up, right? And that would make total sense here based off of the monthly time frame as well. So although we are bullish or are bearish so far, I can see that happening. Or the other thing that could happen is very, very simple. We can drive down and close below the range here today. Right? So there's two options. Price is going to either go up or down, and those are pretty much the two scenarios in which we can expect to happen here. So let's go ahead and see what the daily looks like and how we can determine whether or not we're looking for buys here or sells. So from what I can see here, we did close bullish yesterday, creating a support, right? Creating a new higher low. Creating this support here. So you've got a support right here now. You've also got a resistance, and this is the range that we're currently trading in on the daily time frame. Now, again, we did create support. Therefore, we closed bullish, and now we are moving bullish here. So I am pretty pretty open to taking buys today. I'm also going to look into the break of these lows for sells, but we got to zoom in, go down to the 4 hour and just really see what's happening here. So yeah, 4 hour has been juicing up. So we kind of created this support level right here. We juiced up, we closed with no top wick, right? And that's really why you see the hold up here. And now we're beginning to hold up. So now we're trying to attempt to make a second support here, right? A higher support right in this range. And if this candle can close bullish on the 4 hour, then you will most likely see a drive up here today, up towards like 2034, which I believe was our target yesterday as well. So we'll see if we can get there today due to the bullish closure on the 4 hour. If we end up closing bearish here, then we're looking at a whole different story. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour, see what the ranges are looking like, and see how we can kind of excuse me, plan out this day here. So looks like you got, you know, support, resistance. You are closing back below. I believe this is where we took our buys yesterday, somewhere over here. Yeah, I believe it was somewhere over here. And now we're back in that range, right? So yesterday we did reject from that range. As you guys can see, there are a good amount of rejections in this zone here as well, right? We got rejection here, rejections here. We got some more recent rejections as well, right in this level here. So this is kind of like the range you're trading in. It's a bit choppy in this range, but as you can see, above it and below it is very, very clean traffic, right? So you got really, really clean traffic moving up. Let me switch that. Moving up in this range here for price to continue on up towards 2034 here today. And then below this range, you've got some nice clean price action as well, as price may look to come back towards 2014, 2013 here. So those are probably going to be the ranges that I'm going to look to trade in today. This range right here is, it's about a 25, 30 pip range. So it's not that bad, but there's just a lot of chop going on, right? So this is a range that we can kind of label as a no trade range here today and just keep it very, very simple, right? Price kind of chops around a bit in this zone, so most likely going to stay out of the range here today. That may change. I have seen price move decently in the range, but not the greatest one. So I think I'll wait for some sort of a move outside of that range and look to trade up in this green territory here today. So the green zone is a money zone for me, right? It's where I'm going to look to take some money out the markets, right? It's going to be the money zone, and I think this zone is going to be the not so great crying zone. We should have never did it. So that's probably going to be my outlook here on gold for the day. I'm just going to probably stay out of that red zone, look to trade in the green zones, and see if we can walk away with a W here today. Cool. Sleepy Joe zone. Yeah. Awesome. All right, cool. So that's gold here today. Let me dress this up, make it look nice and good. Gonna look to take. So also, by the way, so the break of the lows are here. So if we do take sells below 2020 here on a like 1 hour 30-minute closure, then that would be the daily candle flipping bearish again, right? This daily candle already broke the highs. There's really no business, right? No reason for this candle to begin to flip bearish if it wants to continue up here today. So if it does flip bearish, there may be some opportunities. Probably going to look for either a range 2 or a celery play. I'm not going to jump at just a breakout, but a range 2 breakout or a celery below here would be perfect. So range 2 sells below, and then buys above here for buys, being that we are bullish here today. And that's it. That's the day. That's the day here on gold. Targets up here, 2034. Clean targets down here at, I would say like 2011. Honestly, if gold wants to rip here today, you may even see 2009, right? That wick fill, that is yeah, that's the break of the previous daily candle low. That's also the break of the weekly low there. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Ideally, what I would really love to see, being that the daily candles are bullish, I would really like to see maybe something like this, right? Bearish closure, bullish closure back above, and then we take our buys going up. Clean traffic, bullish day. That's ideally what we want to see here today, but we will be prepared for either scenario. So that's going to be my day here on gold. Should be pretty clean. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Yeah, sir. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike's in the house. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here as well real quick and see what we got going on. So rapid fire analysis here on GJ. As we've been waiting on the weekly candle here, it's been pretty tough this week because the weekly candle's in this, it's got no, like, it doesn't know what decision to make, right? It's undecided right now. So what I think the weekly candle really would like to do here is create resistance, right? And if we can create that resistance like this, then you will most likely see a drive down next week and potentially even the week after as we come down into these zones, right, that we've previously have done a lot of work in, right, down here. So as you can see, last time we kind of drove down as well. So you had this closure right here, and then price was able to drive down pretty good. Same thing here, you got a closure, price is able to drive down. Same thing here, closure, drive down. So if you do get a closure, you should see another move down into this range, coming back down towards like 180. Yeah, 180 there. So that's what I'm expecting and really hoping for on the weekly. So that way we can get some good price action here on pound yen. Daily candles are struggling, right? Daily candles are struggling big time. You've got this same area of resistance that we see on the weekly is being respected by the daily. And you've got this whole zone right here, right? So I think if you do get a closure below on the daily, that's going to work really well. Now, we did just break the highs. We're coming back into the zone. So it may be another day of just choppy price action here on pound yen where, you know, we get these like doji closures and all that stuff. So let's see how we can plan trades out though if we do decide to get some volume here. So 4 hours looking pretty good. I mean, we're pushing up here pretty nicely. You've got a resistance right here. You've got clean traffic moving up into that resistance up there at 183. Looks like we already tapped into it. So I think this 4 hour candle has done its job. And now we need to wait for this candle to close, right? The 1 hour candle's, you know, coming back and tapped into resistance, no bottom wick. So next set of buys I think would probably be after a pullback, right? Some sort of a pullback and then a support formed and then potential buys to move up. Or you may begin to sell below here, right, coming down. So let's plan this out. Let's plan these trade ranges out and see what we can do here. So 30-minute candle is it did break the lows. We did reject. You'll most likely see a little bit of a consolidation in this range here today. Let's take a look. Above that range, you've got pretty decent traffic coming up towards like 188. I believe that's going to be, about a 40, like a 40 pip range there. So you got a 40 pip range coming up. You also got a nice clean range below there coming down towards 187. 187.400, and that's going to be like a 50 pip range. So not too bad overall. Let's take a look at the 15. 15 looks pretty good. Let's I think we'll leave it here on the 30-minute time frame. Mark off that support, and if you do get closures below, then same thing for GJ. You want to see a range 2 or a range 2 on the 15-minute or some sort of like 30-minute celery below 187 here, or really 188. So that's I'm just gonna put range 2 sells for now, so but you guys know what I mean. And then if you know what I'm gonna put here, gang, I'm gonna put fake out for buys. Fake out for buys here, because ideally that's what you want to see, right? You are bullish here, you broke the highs. So if you do get a fake out doing something like this, right, then I think GJ buys are pretty valid to come back up to retest the highs. If we do end up closing bearish below, I am open to taking these sells, but I do want to see some sort of like celery play or, you know, something like this before we pull the trigger, right? Before we pull the trigger on the sells here. So two scenarios there on pound yen. That's what I could see. That's what I would ideally like to see happen. So if we can get that, then we'll be playing some ball in this range here today as well. Yeah, and that's GJ. That's really it. Not gonna trade anything in this range here. I think this it's actually a pretty decent range, 35 pips. Gets a little choppy though, so probably gonna stay away. We'll see what happens when the session opens up, but that's kind of the zone here for pound yen currently. So I will take sells below, but I don't want to get faked out down there. So let's keep an eye out for the fake out, and yeah, be cautious in that support zone there. Yo, chat got motion. Chat's spinning. You guys are distracting me. Haven't seen chat move like that in like 2 months. Holy, brings back good memories. TK's in the house. What up, TK? Nightbot's in the building. All right. So yeah, so that's gold, that's GJ, NASDAQ. Let's do a quick analysis here on Nas100, and that's it. We'll be sitting back and ready to wait. So yeah, this thing just yeah. W's in the chat. Let's go. It's Good Friday, man. You guys are pumped up for Friday, eh? Doesn't have anything to do with the $100,000 worth of challenge accounts we're giving away, does it? All right, doesn't have nothing to do with that. What up, LeGrand? Dino, what's good, Dino? All right. So NASDAQ, right? So we did close above. Obviously, you most likely see a push up here on this candle, which you are seeing. But again, it gets hard to trade Nas100 where there's no data to the left, especially the way we trade. So the weekly did close last week with no top wick. We haven't really done much on this weekly candle here, right? So you may see this weekly candle actually come down, break the lows, and close bearish today. We also did close bearish on yesterday's candle. So we closed bearish on yesterday's candle, but we don't have a top wick yet, right? So I think price may come up to make this top wick, and then after that come back down here. So if that's the case, how do we potentially take sells here? And if it wants to move up and create support, how can we potentially take our buys, right? So 4-hour closure is always a big one here on Nas. As you guys can see, this last 4 hour created support, but also closed with no top wick. So let's see what this candle's got for us. If we can close above this level of resistance right here, then I think you got a clean move, a lot of clean traffic coming up, at least towards like this level here, which is like that, you know, that past support there. So let's go ahead and see how we can participate here and see what we got going on the 1 hour here. So 1 hour is pretty clean, just running on up here. I think we are looking to tap into this level here, which that is currently what we're doing. 30-minute time frame. 30 did close above. Yeah, 30 closed above here. And you got this support level. So let's see what happens here. We had no top wick on this candle. Looks like we came up to make a top wick for that candle, and closed above. So I would much rather wait on the hour candle for the volume to come in. This 30 is still open. The hour candle still has room to pull back here. So if we pull back on the 1 hour, you know, this is what the 30 minutes is going to look like. So we don't really want to be too involved in buys here yet. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wait for NY open, and we'll see where we're at. So yeah, that's it. And then sells are pretty clean below 17,500. There you got a clean range coming down, clean range coming up. Price action looks really good here today, chat. All three pairs, GJ's but gold and Nas look pretty solid here today. Yeah, let's get it. So that's it. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Any questions, comments, concerns? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Oh, 7 people believe that they're going to lose here today. 7%. Interesting. How you doing? What up, Stephen B? Interesting. Why would 93% feel like they're gonna win and 7% feel like they're gonna lose? That, you know, these things they always scramble my brain. You know, I always try and find the deeper meaning behind this type of stuff. Why are you so awesome? That's what I tell the haters, man. They'd be like, yo, bro, that was 14. Awesome. How was your week? My week was fantastic, man. Got to start the week on Monday. Come into this awesome family that is just incredibly blessed my life. Trade on Monday. I don't think we did. Did we take a trade on Monday? I'm not sure. But yeah. And then Tuesday, welcomed in a new baby boy on Tuesday. So that was a blessing. Wednesday, we got off to a great start, got a big W, and had some fun with the chat. Thursday was yesterday, had a blast. Brought the little one was home on Wednesday, so we brought him home on Wednesday. And then Thursday was yesterday, took a nice 15 pip win. Enjoyed the day with the fam. And then today's Friday. We're giving away $100,000 worth of challenge accounts. So it's been a great week, man. Thanks for asking. It's been a blessed one, brother. Yes, sir. Did I take a gold trade already? Oh, no. Let me. Sorry, guys. That's yesterday's trade. I still got to get used to having that there. Let's delete that. Boom. All right, cool. No trades today. No trades yet, but price action looking pretty good. Tuesday's biggest personal win. Let's go. What up, Alan Forex? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, let's get the poll out of the way. Kingston, big W. Just want to thank you for your knowledge, time, and dedication. Yeah, my pleasure. It's an honor. It really is. It's an honor. It is an honor to be here. See, I had a lot of purpose in life I had a purpose my whole journey, but there was a time where I was rocking and rolling, building a business, on fire, feeling great. Winning at the highest levels, and then there was like 2 years of struggle, and it was 2 years of struggle. And just like the song says, it's back to business. It's, I was asleep and he woke me up to go feed the sheep, right? Because he knew what he put inside of me during those 8 years of purpose, 8 years of, just driving day in and day out, learning, growing, becoming, overcoming, and I kind of, was staring at a fork in the road for a little bit and wasn't sure which way to go. Just put my faith in the Lord's direction, and boom, ended up getting into trading, ended up, struggling for 2 or 3 years, and then just something clicked in me, and just ended up winning again at the highest levels. And at that point, it was time to open up a live stream and go public with it. And yes, blessed my life ever since. Yeah, you guys ever been there, man? You're just staring at that fork in the road. You got so much talent. You feel like you've been gifted so much by the Lord, and you just like, what next, right? What next? And you're just sitting and waiting in that quiet place, right? And waiting in prayer, waiting for wisdom. And yeah, what a blessing it's been. What a blessing it's been. And, been praying for you all before you guys even heard of me or even found the channel, or before I even had a channel. I was praying for the members of this crew and the people of this team to be blessed and highly favored as well. So it's a big blessing on this community here, man. Spiritual realm stuff. At what age did you start trading, and how did you keep motivated to never give up? I started trading at 28 or 29 years old. And what motivated me to never give up? It had nothing to do with motivation. It had a lot to do with purpose. And like I said, I was staring at that fork in the road. And, before this, gang, I had mentored many people. I had spoken on many stages, and was really just doing my thing. And, when I was at that fork in the road, I knew that I had the talents, I had the gifts, I had the light, and I just needed prayer and direction on where to let it shine. And you know, I just felt so called to do this that there was no give up. There was no quit. You know, my family was counting on me. My people were counting on me. And I knew it was a calling upon my life. So there was no giving up, because look, gang, if you give up, what do you give up to, right? If you quit, what do you quit to? The same mundane life you were already living before you tried, right? So there is no quit. There is no give up. And you guys got to have that mentality as well, and keep that mindset. You know, develop a strong mental mindset, you know, that there is no quit. There is no give up, because you know, if you do quit and give up, you go right back to that crappy life that you were living before. There's a reason you tried to break out, right? There's a reason you tried to break out. You guys ever seen Batman, where they all tried to get out of that big thing? And you know, they all tried, they all wanted to, they all knew that there was light out there, but only one of them, you know, made it out. And that dude was determined, because he was already in rock bottom, right? He was already in the gutter. So you got one life, as far as we know. Are you going to remain in the gutter, or are you going to leap into the unknown and take the risk? And that's what I encourage you guys all to do, because you'll look back and it'll be so dang worth it, man. Promise you. Promise you. Got to break free. Are you ready, Neo? Are you ready, Neo? All I can offer is the truth. And you know what? I may be wrong. Let's go. Let's go, Michael Cook. You've been here for a while, man. There's no quitting at this point, bro. No quitting, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I posted on my story today, freedom is not, or success, at least to me, is not about the nice cars. I love all these things, right? Not about the nice cars or the nice houses or the jets or whatever. Success to me is, can you wake up and enjoy your life every day? Right? Can you wake up and be free to do the things that you want to do? That's it. Doesn't take a lot of money to do that, promise you. It takes grits, it takes grit, it takes guts, it takes building a foundation, it takes delayed gratification, and if you can do those things, you'll earn freedom fairly quickly. Speaking of earning freedom, good morning, John.
Good morning, brother Nick.
How you doing,
What's up,
sir?
brother?
How you doing?
How you doing? Oh, bro, doing great. Go hard or go home, boys. Let's get it.
Let's go. Yeah, let's get to it.
Burn the ships. Burn the ships. Let's get it. Morning, chat. Morning, everyone in Zoom. Hope you guys are doing great. Hopefully, it's feeling like the best day of your life, because it is the best day of your life. Like, get it. Act like it. Hey, what up, YOLO Trader?
Yep.
Yo, good price action here today.
Very nice.
Friday.
Yeah, very clean.
Right.
Hey, Fridays are typically our best days here. Statistically, our best days are Fridays.
Hell yeah. I love me some Fridays. Let's go. Technical system plus discipline plus patience today will equal progress and success, right? That's all we want to do. Right?
That's
we
all.
Want to progress.
Yeah.
Sandman, what's good?
Sandman's in the house. What up, Sandman? What's good? What's good?
I didn't see those NAS buys, but those NAS buys weren't bad. At 7 or something.
Yeah, right after this, 6:30. Yeah, 7 was a pretty good move here.
Bird.
Came up, gave this candle a top wick. See what happens now.
Yeah. That was the daily too. No topic, I believe. Right?
Bingo.
Believe
Yep.
so.
That's right.
Bingo.
How you doing? Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Look at it.
Yeah, man. What a day. What a day.
What a day.
What you guys going on this weekend? Chat. AB Mike, you got anything going on this weekend for your post-birthday? Chilling with family? Anything? What up,
Actually, what y'all
Anilo?
doing?
We live. What up, Green? Green's in the building. What up, Greenery? They were called.
Greenery, what up?
The green call was out.
Oh, man.
Yeah, so some of you guys who have like TradeZella or some of you guys that use copy traders, just wanted to inform you that I've been talking with TradeZella and their crew over there. Supposedly MetaTrader has done a huge update with their servers, and all the other companies that work with MetaTrader are trying to update all their servers as well, so that way they can get back to business. Says that they're telling me it's taking a little bit longer than they expected. So just so you guys are informed, wondering about what's going on there, there's some inside info. So just hang tight. They're sounds like they're working on everything. Just win, baby.
Nice.
Let's go.
Hey, what up, Just Win? Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Chat, go into today, this week. Let your blessings, your family members, the people you love, let them know how much you love them. Thank them for what they've done for you, because society, they got it all wrong. They think that the gifts that are cheap, the material things, they think that is the most valuable things in the world, but it's actually the completely opposite, right? The things that were given us for free are the most valuable gifts, and we can't replace those gifts, right? But the material things, we can replace that at any point. So,
Amen. Call your mama, call your
let your
daddy.
family know you love them.
You guys ever seen Big Daddy? You guys like, I'm gonna call my dad right now.
Yo,
in the courtroom.
Yeah, bro, that was funny.
Yeah, man. Life is precious, gang. So if you are here today, please pay attention, right? Take this opportunity, man. I won't be doing this forever, right? Take this opportunity and learn what you need to learn, right? Remember, this doesn't come from me. This is wisdom from the spiritual realm. I have no control over it. It's just what comes out, and what comes out is truly impactful, and I think it can make a world of difference in your life. But you're not going to capture the wisdom when you're playing video games on the side, when you're scrolling through your phone, looking at Johnny Depp, now looking at things that don't even matter, right? Things that if you didn't even have this stupid thing, you wouldn't even know these people existed, right? Let's focus on our lives here today, chat. Let's really get our eyes off of other people's life, right? These famous people or these athletes or whoever it is that's really got your mind, right? Controlling your mind, and let's focus on our life, right? What are we going to do, right? My mentor would always say, Nick, when you die, you get a gravestone. There's a year you were born. There's a year you passed away into the next realm. And then there's a dash. What is that dash going to represent for you? When people think about you, what are they going to say? That guy, that girl was what? That guy or that girl did what? Right? Or are people even going to remember you, right? At some point, we're all going to be forgotten, right? But what can we do with the dash that we've been given? It's a precious gift, my friends. If you're feeling low today, if you're feeling down today, just know you were already born, right? We are God's highest form of creation, gang. We can do anything. Anything we set our minds to, with the help of one another, we can do it. Maybe we can't do everything on our own, right? That's why everyone has a little bit of a different special gift and a little bit of a different special talent. But your gift is important. Your talent's important, right? And you can bring it to the table to overall make a good thing happen. You feel me? So really focus on your life, man. Let's get off of these other people's lives. The Super Bowl. I didn't even know the
Sure.
Super Bowl was coming up, to be honest, man. I'm
Bro.
just so locked in on the Super Bowl of my life, right?
Dude.
And the game of life that I'm playing. So I encourage you guys to do that, man. I really, really do. Everything changed for me years ago when I switched to a mentality like that.
Not for real, man. And our God agrees with this as well. In my kid's Bible, Proverbs 14, right? There's a verse: peace of mind makes the body healthy, right? But jealousy is like cancer. So put that peace in your mind. Keep the calm, cheerful, positive thoughts in your mind as you walk through life in any situation, and stop focusing on others, right? It's not you versus someone else, it's you versus you, right? When you focus on others, there will start to become jealousy, and the Bible clearly states that jealousy is just like cancer, right? So let's avoid that. Let's stay focused on ourselves. You versus you.
Yeah, man. Yep. And when John says you versus you, I want you to understand what that means. That means the best you, your higher self, versus your lower self, right? You guys all know that mental ping pong that you play. Some people say, oh, you know, angel, devil, blah, blah, blah. This is the spiritual realm, gang. This is your higher self versus your lower self, right? Your lower self wants to sleep in bed all morning. Your higher self wants to get up and be on the live stream and learn how to trade, right? Your lower self wants to stay in, eat potato chips on the couch and watch some stupid show. But your higher self wants to go work out. Your higher self wants to go read books. Your higher self wants to go dominate life. So this is the battle. It's never comparison between me and you, or you and John, or you and this guy or that girl. That is the comparison. That is the battle. That is the war within that you have to conquer day in, day out. And it never stops. It never stops. The one that you feed will continue to get stronger, which makes it better. But like I said, that battle never stops. So it's you versus you, meaning it's your higher self versus your lower self every damn day. That lower self will not let you slide. It's going to continue to try and conquer, but you have to dominate.
Yeah, man. The flesh is weak. The spirit's willing. That person you want to be, you need to become that person today. Instead of conforming, we have to create, right? Don't conform to society, like what Nick just said about doing what society does, but create, right? Create that person you want to be and start to become that person today, right? You want to be a professional trader, then be the professional trader today. You want to be in good shape, eat clean today. Start working out today, right?
Yeah.
Simple, little habits that will stack your wins.
Yep. They don't look like they're making much of a difference at the moment, but over 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, they'll make a huge difference. Same thing goes for the charts. You know, you apply those discipline, you continue to be patient, and you don't gamble, man. You literally trade the system. It's not that hard. You trade the dang system every single day. And it may not look like a big difference is happening, right, at the time, but over the year, you know, you might have a record like we have, which is whatever it is, right? 118 and 38, something. You may just surprise yourself. So every day, gang, every day.
Yeah, 100%.
Yep, creating the best version of yourself.
Let's get it.
Yep, I live by a quote. I heard it years and years ago, and it was really the first quote that ever kind of hit me. And the quote was, "Strive to be the best you that you can be. Nourish your mind and body, and educate yourself every day until the day you die." Man, that hit me at like 20 years old, 19 years old, and life had never been the same. How many guys you guys remember that website Stumble Upon? Dude, I was on Stumble Upon, and I started literally stumbling upon like life-changing things, man. And that was one of the quotes that really, really hit me so much that I still remember it to this day, 13 years later.
That's great.
Yeah. Took an L in London, posted chart into charts for stream. Maybe I did something wrong. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Gang, you guys can join our free Discord, by the way. Let's take a look at this trade. I've done something wrong in this trade, or was it just probabilities? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So waited for the 30-minute candle to close. What pair is this? US. Okay, so waited for you to close, took buy. Instead, we closed with a bearish candle. Second candle. What was the daily? What was the daily? Was the daily bullish or bearish here today?
Looks like it would be bearish, honestly.
All right, so third candle. So 1, 2, 3. This candle made a top wick and activated me on the break of the lows. Okay. In. Got 3 pips in profit. Fourth candle stopped me out. Yeah, what was the daily? Was the daily bullish or bearish here? That's my big question.
Let them know.
Trying to pass the challenge. Keep swinging from -5 to +5. I can't find any explanation. That's because you're in the heat of the journey, right? A lot of traders go through this. You're at the point where you can start to begin to see the light at the end of the tunnel, and you just have to keep doing what you're doing. There's some little nuance maybe that is holding you back. Could be like sometimes for me, losses are a little bit bigger than winners, so it could be something in that category. You just got to find that little nuance and then begin to work on it, right? These things don't happen right the next day too, right? You don't find the tweak you need to make and just adjust it the next day and things go great for you, right? It takes a little bit of time, a little bit of tweaking, a little bit of adjusting, and you know, a little bit of catching up to doing your P&L. Maybe you're going against a daily bias. I don't know, like this trade might be going against the daily bias here. You just got to figure out that little nuance that's kind of holding things back for you, and then just begin to work on it, right? I didn't say change it and become profitable the next day. I said just begin to work on it, right? Begin to figure out what it is, identify it, become aware of it, and then slowly make those tweaks trade by trade.
Yeah, and look at those losses and ask yourself, are these losing trades? Do they look the same as my winning trades, right? Because every trade you take, they should look almost exactly the same. So ask yourself, are these the same trades that I'm taking?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
All right, I'm not too sure. I don't see. Oh, Martin, right? Are you there, Martin? Oh, previous daily close bearish. Okay, so previous daily did close bearish. Time of day. Looks like pre-London. Was it pre-London or? Hold on, I think you told me in the. Yeah, what time was it? Because look, a lot of times before, if you're going to take a trade before the volume, right, or before any volume comes in, typically you'll range a bit. So that's why you may see this range form, right? And then potentially the move happens once you get the breakout. So your move may have played itself out, but it may have needed to break out of a range or go up, you know, and break out that way. Yeah, speaking of breakout though, NY Open is upon us. Gold is tapped into support, so we'll see how this candle closes. Nice 28 pip range there. No top wick on that candle. There's also a 30-minute support a little bit lower as well. So we'll see about this closure. And then you got GJ and Nas. Yeah, see how Nas came right back down there? So you'll most likely not close below. And that 30 candle did exactly what we anticipated it doing. Yeah, I think the next 4 hour gives us the best direction here on Nas. Mark Douglas said anything can happen in the market, even if the perfect setup. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And that's why you guys hear me say all the time, look, this is an A+ setup. We may lose this trade. We may lose it. You know, it's got nothing to do with me. It's got nothing to do with you. scout. It's what market does, what it wants to do, right? All we know is that when we do take our A+ setups, they typically work 8 out of 10 times. And that's all we can base that off of. That's all we can base our execution off of. Yeah, Rolex, I think you're right about that too. I think we do have a range 2 already here. Yeah, that's why I was like, I wasn't looking for a full range 2 on the 1 hour, but I was kind of looking for like some sort of like celery play below there. Yeah, just because we're pretty bullish and already broke the high there, if there's going to be a fake out, it's going to happen right down there. Kind of like these last 2 fake outs. So that's it. Just a little cautious in this zone right here. Yeah, because this zone right here is the daily flip. Right, this whole area right here this is where the daily candle could potentially flip bearish. See? So we don't want it to flip bearish and then back to bullish and skyrocket up, right? Yep, that's it. You just keep the odds in your favor. You're right, Jeremy. That's it. You just got to keep the odds in your favor. And the way you do that is you only trade your edge. You trade nothing outside of your edge.
Exactly.
That's why you hear sometimes like people will come in here and they probably trade a different way than us, right? So like, yo, bro, you missed a move. You know what I mean? But there's so many different ways to skin a cat, right? There's so many different ways to trade the markets. So just because it's my move doesn't necessarily have to mean it's your move and vice versa, right? So there's just so many different ways to do this thing. You just have to act on the way that you understand the best and that you can be, and you have the data that you could be confident in, right? So you can't be confident in other people's data. You got to kind of, discover that stuff for yourself.
100%.
All a trade is a risk managed bet with odds in your favor. That's it. It's like betting that the Bulls would lose when Michael Jordan was out injured. That's it. At the end of the day, it's in a way still a bet, but you can create some sort of professionalism by having an edge and being willing to stick to it.
Ring that bell and wide open.
Ding! Should we ring the church bell? We should get the stock exchange bell open for 9:30. What do you guys think?
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, I think so too. Skin a cat. I knew someone was gonna say skin a cat. Verse of the day. Deuteronomy 28:8, right? That's what's on my heart today. The Lord will send a blessing on your barns and on everything you put your hand to. The Lord your God will bless you in the land that he has given you. Are you living in the land that he has given you, my friend? Because it will and it shall be blessed.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and read Deuteronomy 28, by the way, for those of you that want to gain massive wisdom. The whole chapter. Don't stop at the promises either. We all want to stop in that first one. Like, perfect. Just perfect. Yeah, keep reading. Keep reading. There's a really cool song. It's called Another in the Fire. And there's a live version of it. And the part that hits me the most, there's a part at the end of the song where they kind of slow the music down and they go, and even if he doesn't, I'll still praise him. And I think most people don't want to hear that part. But if you listen to the song, I think you'll get goosebumps. It's one of my favorite parts of any song. And they're talking about how they'll be saved in the fire, right? That anything is conquerable for God, right? But then towards the end of the song, they start singing, and even if he doesn't, and even if he doesn't, right? I'll still praise him. Still praise him. So maybe that's a verse for you today. You know what? When I accepted that, you know what he did? He started doing it all. When I finally accepted that, even if he doesn't do it, I'll still praise him. I'm still blessed. I'm still favored. And you know what?
That faith in him.
That's when the blessings started pouring even more.
It's that faith.
What up, Scott? Scotty boys in the house. Speaking of the verse of the day.
Brother
Amen.
Scott,
Amen.
what up, brother? Amen.
Any book suggestions for the weekend? You want a quick read? The Compound Effect. I think
Bro, I was gonna say that.
No
Damn.
way. I think you can get that done this weekend. I read it in 42 hours. How quick can you read it?
Yeah, since we've been talking a lot this week about stacking wins, so yeah, the Compound Effect would be great, I think.
Yeah, for those of you who want to get a good read in this weekend, hopefully you have the book. If not, I'm sure Barnes & Nobles has it. You can go scoop it up real quick. The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy.
Great book.
It's a quick read. Very quick, very applicable.
You're never staying the same. Your habits are either making you worse or they're making you better. And that's up to you to change them.
Yep. It's like the slight edge. Regardless, this thing's working.
Yeah.
Regardless, the slight edge is working. Whether it's working for you or against you, it's working. Right? So
Yeah,
whether you're eating donuts every day and cookies every day, it may not look like you're gaining weight yet. Just give it a couple weeks. Right? Or whether you're not eating cookies and everything and you're working out and you're exercising, you may not look like it's working, but just give it a couple weeks. Give it a couple months.
Yep. The same secret to success is the same secret to failure. It's a double-edged sword. Gotta be cautious with how you're using it.
Yeah, they're.
What up, PM Magnifico? What up, bro?
PM Magnifico. Got you, Carlos. Got you. Just started The Magic of Thinking Big through your suggestion. It's an impressive book. Thank you. My favorite book. One of my favorite books to read. David Schwartz. When are you going to pick the winners? So we got 2 winners coming up today, chat. We're going to be giving away 2 $50,000 challenge accounts. All you have to do is be sub to the channel and give the stream a like here today for an extra little bit of luck, and you may be the winner. Yeah, 100K worth of challenges here today on the live stream. Someone is going to win it.
Yo, I'm feeling like whoever's winning it is getting funded and getting paid out. I just feel it. Whoever's winning it is getting paid, baby.
We've already prayed over the winners, so you guys have already been picked.
Yeah.
You're like, oh man, does that mean I got to be this holy guy to win now? Nope. God tends to help the outcast more than the religious man.
What'd he say? What'd Christ say? He said he came for the sinners, right? Not for the righteousness. Yes. Sinners, though.
I struggle to stay focused on the stream. That's okay. You got to learn to focus. That's all you got to do. Right? Most people say, I struggle to focus on this, and they think that they're destitute. No. You just got to learn how to focus. You just got to learn how to focus better.
Yo, facts.
Simple fix.
Work on that. Exercise that. Yeah.
Everything is a simple fix, gang.
Mm-hmm.
Everything.
It is what it is.
If you doubt what I said there, then you need to that's data showing you that you may need to rewire your brain. right?
Sir.
To think a little bit in more of the optimistic way and not the pessimistic way, right? Your mind will give you clues to where you need to grow.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, look at that. I like that. Candle Slinger. That's the perspective, right? When the stream is on, it's hard to distract me. Dig it. I dig it.
Good stuff. Yeah, just the change, right? Just the rewired in the thoughts, the rewired in the program can change that outcome, can change the way you feel and go about your day for sure.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Simple, not easy. Exactly.
So
simple, not
if you're
easy.
a patient trader, then you're a patient trader. You just said you were. You claimed it, so you are a patient trader. If you're an unpatient trader, then okay, you're an unpatient trader. You just said that, right? You claimed it.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So what we're going to do also, so we're going to make sure whoever does win is sub to the channel. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you want a chance to win, sub to the channel. You don't have to like the stream. You can just like the stream for some extra luck. I think it will help you today. But you don't have to do that. But one other thing that we do have to do is, one moment here. One moment. We are going to, let's pick a video. Let's pick a video. You know what? Let's do this recent video. Yeah. So what I need you guys to do is I need you guys to go over to this video right here. I'll send the link in the chat. And I need you guys to just leave a comment. Just any comment you like to leave. Click this video of me and leave a comment on that video. Like it while you're at it, please. And yeah, we'll pick the winner from there. Some of you guys, a lot of you guys have already commented on it. Yeah. So let me send the link out so you guys have it. And this is, as you guys comment throughout the stream here, we'll pick the winner from there in probably like an hour or so. What was the favorite book you mentioned? A few. Magic of Thinking Big by David Schwartz. My perspective and optimism changed so much since being here. Nice. I realized my pessimistic mindset after seeing Johnny saying, yeah. And you know, it's kind of like it's one of those things where it's like, damn, holy crap, I actually am a negative person, right? Maybe that's what's been holding me back. You know, you don't know you're negative when you hang around with a bunch of negative people, right? There's a saying that goes, pigs don't know that pigs stink. Now, I'm not calling you a pig, but negative people don't know that they're being negative when they just surround themselves with negativity. So it's not until you come on the live stream and you see some bubbly dude up here, oh, super, this guy's so positive, blah, 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 blah. You know, it's not until you consistently hear more of the positivity and the optimism that you begin to think, that guy looks like he's having fun. You know, he looks like he's a little bit more happier than I am. Why am I always miserable? Why am I always mad? You know, and you begin to realize, shit, man, I'm actually pretty negative. Like, I need to make some changes in my mindset. That's what happened to me. That's how it went down for me. And then I read the book, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. My mind was blown. I'm like, damn, I was doing this thing wrong the whole time. I've been completely destroying my life with what I've been saying to myself in my own head. It has nothing to do with anyone else. It's what I've been telling myself. And man, you guys will go to new levels, friends.
For real, bro. For real. I thought the same thing too, grind time. Thought the same thing. Like, people are being negative. Like, so it's possible, right? It's possible to be negative. I mean, possible to be positive.
Yeah, man. How do you feel about video games on the side? I don't play video game. I just play the game of life. I'm a bit weird. I'm a bit out of the ordinary type of guy. I haven't played video games in years, man. So yeah, I just like playing the game. I fell in love with playing the game of life, the game of my own life, where every decision I made was based off of, you know, developing the character in the game. So video games never really did it for me after, you know, probably first year of high school, second year of high school. When me and Green and the crew used to play Call of Duty, TV on blast. Yeah, it's been a minute, but hey, if sometimes video games help people like just kind of chill out, escape. So that's just my opinion. My opinion doesn't mean much.
Bro, as long as you're leveling up your character, your video game character in real life, and you're being productive with your time and valuable to yourself and controlling the things you can control, you know, as long as you're doing that, bro, you'll be doing great.
Yes, sir. I'll be right back. Give me 1 sec.
The enemy comes through our thoughts. We have control. We have control whether we let him in or not. Yo, Scott, I agree with that, brother. I really agree with that, right? Because we get positive thoughts and negative thoughts, and I don't think any negative thought comes from a loving God, a God full of promises, who sacrificed his life for my life, right? For a relationship with me, and I could agree with that for sure. Yeah, when you understand that it's a double-edged sword, right? You will take it very differently. You will change your perspective on it, right? When you know that the negative thoughts are actually just hurting you now long term, right? Because you don't want to hurt yourself, right? You don't want to be a failure in life. I don't think anyone does, right? So when you understand that the thoughts are actually creating you into be a failure, you can change those thoughts up, and now you would start to rewire it. And remember the Bible verse, as a man thinketh, so. Oh, our thoughts are so powerful, very powerful. We're declaring it, right? We're declaring it when we speak into existence, the things we speak into existence. When God made the world, what did he do, right? He spoke it into existence. So that's the same power we have. It's mind-blowing. This is stuff they don't teach you, right? They don't teach you this in school because they don't want you to know this stuff.
Yes, sir. Go read your Bible. Go open it up to the first page. Go paragraph to paragraph and highlight where it says, and God said, and God spoke, and God spoke, and God spoke, and God spoke, and God spoke. Exactly. Go check it out.
Exactly.
Yo, how many push-ups we at, chat? See, I'm playing the game. I'm playing the game within the game, right? I just didn't even realize I'm playing the game. Just going to do 20 push-ups real quick, right? Trying to make my character a little bit better.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Playing the game while talking about playing the game.
I love playing this game, bro. It's lit.
Where we at, Stephen B? How we do yesterday? We're going to hold y'all accountable.
Stephen B. Yo, get some friends, chat, who's going to hold you guys accountable, man, for your actions. That's what I suggest. Yo, what we got? We got news at 8:30, right?
Yeah, we got news coming up here.
Let's get it, George.
David, I'm only at, you can match me. I'm at 60 right now. I had a busy morning, man. We got 3 kids here now. 3 kids.
Dude. I'll see you in a couple months, bro.
Yeah, we won't be going out to eat too much pretty in the near future.
Oh. Yeah, it's Friday. Get them push-ups in.
Push-ups. Storm Player in the building. What up, Storm Player? Hey, thank you guys. I had so many messages on IG. I tried getting back to pretty much everyone, but yo, thanks for all the congratulations. Most importantly, thank you all for your prayers. For those who don't know, we did have the baby, or my wife had the baby on the 23rd, so 3 days ago. I told you we meant business that day.
Praise Jesus.
Amen. Best blessing God's given us is our mind. Apply it, focus, achieve anything. Yep. That's right. So 1 hour closed, or 4 hours still open, daily still open. So see how we kind of flip bearish there and then turn back around here. So that's kind of like what we were anticipating. So we never did close below, which is good. So there wasn't a fake out or anything there. Yeah, we got news coming out here in 15 minutes. I also had the baby. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. My wife delivered the baby. We had a baby. Yeah, that's true.
Thanks.
Then bird stops activated. Word. What up, Dominic?
W for planting, W for delivering, right? W's.
Amen.
W's everywhere.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Moose the Jab's in the building. What up, Moose the Jab? Peraz in the building. What up, Peraz? Documenting your journey on the 200K account and offering educational services is invaluable for aspiring traders. Sizzo. Thanks, man. Yeah. Not many people doing this. I have a YouTube, so I'm going to release a YouTube short documentary of this entire account as well. I'm making it right now, so I'm creating it as we go. Top 1 traders focus on educating their traders. Yeah, no, honestly, that was one of the big things for me, was that they were actually traders, right? Clay's a really good trader, and they had a goal of like educating traders. And a lot of these other firms, like, I mean, obviously they're out to make money too, but like a lot of these other firms, they literally do not want you to succeed. So the fact that these guys have a educational platform and program already, and they've also pulled really hard to get me to put content on that, on those modules as well. That shows me that they're like they're fighting for me to get on there, right? So they're pushing for it, and I like that they're pushing for it, because it shows me that they want to help traders, that they want to put some good educational content up there, so that way people can go and review it and, you know, maybe get a little bit better in their trading. So yeah, that was one of the big things for me on my decision making with them. Yeah, they're fire. Yeah, we're gonna get Clay on here. I wanted to get him on here today, but honestly, I forgot to hit him up yesterday. So next week we're gonna get Clay. He's one of the owners of Top 1. We're gonna get Clay on here, and maybe we'll pressure him with some questions. What do you guys say? I'm watching that thing that'll make you never see y'all faces again. Billy, they're going to be like, yo, Billy's lost. Like, nah, that dude quit. That dude changed his life over the last 6 months while you were watching Netflix. Yeah, man. My one thing my mentor would always tell me too, he's like, yo, success is a different type of game. Like, he's like, you know, because I was young and a lot of my friends, they were graduating college. I never went to college. They were all getting careers. I never had a career. They were all getting married. We waited a little bit. And, you know, I would come to him and be like, damn, man, like, seems like all these dudes are just blowing by me. And he sat me down. He said, Nick, here's how success works. You put in the work, right? You put in the work. They're going to go to their jobs, and you're going to go to your job too. But at night when they come home and they watch Netflix and they kick the feet up on the couch and dim the lights, you're out there building your business. You're out there building yourself, right? And you're out there getting better, chipping away, and earning it, right? Letting the slight edge work for you. And he said, Nick, you know, they're going to go like this, but they're going to come to a point where they peak, where they stop, right? Because they can't get any more of a salary, or they can't work any more hours. And because you put something together that has nothing to do with hours or salary, you will blow by them like they're standing still. So don't compare yourself to them now. Don't look at it now. Just focus on your own race. And you know what? That's what I did. And you know what we did? We blew by them, gang. We blew by them like they were standing still. you know, not only in financial, but in personal development, in relationships. You know, some of these guys and girls are getting divorced. You know, my marriage is thriving, right? It's these little things that you do to separate yourself. You know, this is the work, right? This is the work day in and day out of just, you know, learning to get better and better. It may look like your friends are graduating and they're going off to college, or they're getting these good jobs, and you know, your parents like, what is this bum doing and playing these video games on these charts? But they don't know what you know, right? They don't know what you know. They don't know where this can get you. So, or whatever it is you're doing. Some of you guys are building other businesses. Just stay focused on your race. You know, don't compare. Don't look left. Don't look right. Just look where you're called to go.
Tunnel vision, baby. Go.
Yeah.
Just look at the fruits on the tree of the people who are doubting you. That's all you gotta do. And then keep walking in that tunnel vision.
Yes, sir. What's up, gentlemen? Hey, what up, Vito? Can you drop a quick version of how you started in trading and your journey? Yeah, just briefly, like COVID came around. I used it as an opportunity to sit there and separate myself from the rest of the world. So while they were dancing on TikTok, doing all these stupid things, I was watching Swaggy C on YouTube. I was watching anything and everything I possibly could. I was watching Lambo Raul. I was watching Raja Banks. I was studying traders because it was a new thing to me, and I really wanted to get good, right? I wanted to get to a level where I could become profitable. So while COVID happened, that gave me a little bit before COVID, that gave me the vision, and then during COVID, it gave me the time, right? It gave me a window of time, a window of opportunity. While the whole world shut down, I got to grow and become. By the time the world opened up again, you know, maybe I was not where I wanted to be, but way, way further from where I was. So yeah, that's a brief version of how I got started. Yeah, if you guys go back to my Instagram, and you can go back to a picture, and I posted this picture right when the lockdowns started going down in the US. And I don't know where it is. Yeah, somewhere on my IG, and I was just like, you mean to tell me that we can stop everything we're doing? Yeah, right here. Quarantine life. So you're telling me I get to stay at home, play my civic duty, set goals, and personally grow for the next 30 days? We thought it was only going to be 30 days. Remember that?
Yeah, right.
I said, I hope everyone's taking advantage of this downtime. For me, outside of new business ideas, I'm focused on setting up savage morning routines and evening routines. So this is... so when this is over, it's 0 to 100 real quick. Yeah, man. And we did it.
Ah, for real, bro.
We did that.
Bro, Chad, Nick's been on this. He's been on the grind.
Yes, sir. Rafi's in the building.
Wafi. Let's get Rafi.
Wafi in the chat.
My man, my
Wafi,
man.
Wafi, you coming on Woom? Zoom, Woom?
Boom.
Whoa,
Woomy.
whoa, whoa. New levels, indeed. Yes. Can't wait to see what top one traders accomplish together. Yeah. Yeah, it does have a lot of potential. It does have a lot of potential. And I look forward to, you know, intertwining with them a bit more, you know, especially on the educational side of things too. So yeah, it's exciting.
Very positive. Very positive.
Yeah, that's right, Candle Slanger. How much did I get started with? You know, I had some money saved from my other businesses and stuff and things that I was doing. So I had a window of time, and I also had a window of money, you know, and it was closing quickly. So I think I got started with like $500 or something. I actually think my first account was like 300.
Yeah, that's plenty, bro. For new traders.
Yeah, you're gonna blow it anyway.
You're gonna blow for sure. No doubt.
some of the guys I work with that are new to trading, I always tell them, they go, I want the big 100K account. I'm like, you should maybe just do like a 5K account, you know? No, I think I got a good understanding. I'm like, all right. And then they come back, yeah, should have did that 5K account first.
Facts, right? Show that you could trade the 5K account first and then level up, right? Especially as a newbie.
Oh, look at this. We got another Kingston in the chat, John. What up, Kingston? I have a question in what the difference is between a normal breakout versus an overextended breakout. Good question. So let's talk about it. So a normal breakout would be something like this, right? So there's a nice resistance formed. Let me use the darker one. Let's say this candle closes bullish, right? And then this candle closes below. That's a breakout. But you see how the resistance is right here? Right? Just pretend that candle's closed. That's a pretty good breakout right there where, you know, stops are probably even valid up here. And then you got clean traffic to the left. So an overextended breakout would be more so where price does something like this, right? Let's say this candle closes above, right? And then the next candle closes below. All right, you guys ever see this? This to me is a little bit overextended, right? Because now if the next candle only gives us this little stop, that's all we got to work on, right? And then stops have to be up here. So you can put your stops here, but price can come up, kind of tap you out and continue down. So that's why that's what we've noticed when we've been stopped out on overextended breakouts. We weren't wrong about the direction. We were just using the only stop in which the market gave all the retail traders, right? So if the market knows that that's everyone's stop, all they have to do is go like this, boink, and collect money, right? So what we like to wait for in this case is either a candle to close bullish and give us what we call the celery play, right? So now we have a new resistance. And then if we break that low during high times of volume, we'll enter there. But if the volume's not coming in yet, we'll wait on the volume and then we'll wait for something like this to happen. And now look, now you have a break out of the zone here. You have a new resistance form and then you should get a push down. And then you have valid stops above the highs there. So that's kind of a little bit of the difference between the two.
Great
so
answer.
News came out here. Let's go ahead and take a look at how the news came out. Hey, by the way, gang, we got the Time to Eat website up now. So we're still working on it. It's almost done, but we're putting it together. Yeah. If you guys want, you guys can purchase the Bootcamp here. There's also spots open for the Elite that you guys can purchase here. All the Elite members get 25K challenge accounts too now. So I worked that deal for y'all and we got it. So I'm excited about that. So now when you guys come into the program, especially the new traders, you don't have to go for your 100K, Tarzan, right? You can take the free 25K and learn a little bit on it.
That is lit.
Yeah, that's fire. I was fighting for that. I was really hoping they would work with us there. So, yeah, so numbers came out pretty much, 1% higher. So nothing too crazy here. So we got a grab there. We'll see what happens now. 4 hour looks like it's potentially, going to close bearish here in 28 minutes. We'll see. But yeah, let's wait and see how this candle closes and then we'll go from there. Yeah, 15-minute candle will close in a little bit. So we'll see how that closes. Yeah, we still got some work to do on the website, so we'll take care of all. We're working on it. Yeah, but so far so good, coming along. If you guys have any cool ideas for the website, let us know. But all these links will be active pretty soon. The Signals channel is obviously closed down. We're probably going to keep that closed till like May or June. But the boot camp will be good. The elite training will be good. We're taking like 6 people every month, every other month for the elite program. All right, we'll see if we can get on the board here today, chat, on this lovely Friday.
So let's see what price action wants to do.
By the way, for those of you guys that want to win or a chance to win the $50,000 challenge account, you have to go to this video right here. Let me link it in the chat for y'all one more time. It's this video right here on my YouTube. Send it in the link. Send the link in. So comment on, if you comment on this video right here, just put any comment you like, and we're gonna pick the winner. You got to be subbed to the channel though. We're gonna run it through the sub. Make sure you're subbed to the channel before giving you the account, and yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So new video here, short video of some exciting news. That's the one that we're talking about. Yeah, we got 2 winners coming in today. 2 of y'all are going to get $50,000 challenge accounts. 2 of you guys who comment on this video. Thanks to Top One, man. Thanks to Top One Trader. Really, I'm like, what can we do? I want to help traders, man. You guys have a funding company. Like, talk to me, you know? And, yeah, they agreed to do this. So 100K worth of challenges right here today.
Shout out Top One Trader.
And you guys know my hustle. You know, I'll try and squeeze some more out of them too. push for it. And by the way, don't comment twice, and don't comment on replies, because we know how to turn those features off, so you won't get picked. So just 1 comment will be sufficient. Top one.
1 comment, call it a day.
Yeah, that's right, Louis G. If you do win, make sure you continue to pull up to the stream. It doesn't matter if you trade like us, but let us know about the progress. Yeah. What time do I do the giveaway? Only time will tell.
Yeah. Then you'll find out.
How do we win? I've been subbed already. That's cool. Then just go comment on this video right here. Comment right here and like it. Give it a like and a comment, and that'll be good. 490 comments so far. So a lot of people gearing up. So this is why we don't trade news, because news is all over the place. We'll let this settle down. We'll let the 4 hours settle in here, close up, and we look like potential 4-hour seller here. So we'll see what's good.
Get it?
I commented earlier in the week. That's all good. Say, oh, you might even be the winner, man. Nah, you don't have to go back and comment. Nope, you're good. You're good.
Yo, what up, TK?
TK, how you doing? I'm new here, but your speech is, in a way, very inspiring. Keep up the great work. Yeah, I got you, man. Welcome, my friend, Mr. Fernandez. Welcome. All the new people, welcome in. We're here every day, Monday through Friday. And you guys are more than welcome to join in, ask questions in the comments. We got the live chat going, so we're here to help. So take advantage of it while we are here to help. And let's go to new levels, gang. Yeah, look at this, 4 hour now. Lovely. We're about to break these daily lows again. See, we broke the highs. There shouldn't really be a reason for us flipping here outside of we actually do want to go down. So yeah, looking good so far. This is your daily low right there. If we break that, you should have a nice clean move coming down towards like 2009, 2010 here. I would say at least
notice how Nick is just going.
Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Notice how Nick is just going based off of price action, and he's just following price action and following the story that's making sense. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah. Love you, bro, from Pakistan. Hey, love you too, Rizwan. Yeah, no overtrading here, gang. Overtrading has been probably the biggest issue I've seen. Is Rafi here? Is Rafi on Zoom? I want Rafi in on this conversation because overtrading is a detriment to all of you traders. It was my downfall. Overtrading and revenge trading. It really.
What's going on, family?
There he is.
What's happening? What's happening?
What up, brother?
Yo.
We're talking about overtrading, man, and it's probably one of the biggest things I see traders struggle with. And by the way, good morning. Actually, good evening, Rafi. Good to see you here today, sir. We're talking about this overtrading thing, right? That holds a lot of traders back. And I know it's something that you've seen a lot. It's something that I see a lot. And I don't know, man. What can we give them to help them out a little bit here today? I'm sure people have took buys here, took sells here, been trading in this range. I think by far that's probably been the biggest issue I've seen when it comes to, traders holding themselves back, I should say. What do you think?
Yeah, no, bro, that's crazy synchronicity, because I've been working with some guys from the UK, and it seems like they trade different systems and they struggle still with overtrading,
Mm-hmm.
And it has to do a lot with, psychological imbalances, but
yeah.
The thing, bro, that I see is, first of all, FOMO. That's a deeper motivator here. Like fear of missing out on money, basically. So like when you are trading based out of that, you're gonna try to get anything. And the other thing that we talk about the playbook here a lot, and people talk about having a playbook. For example, like we have a playbook. But I see a lot of guys, and if you're listening to this and you take it personal, I'm not talking to you. Taking it personal is because it speaks to you. But I see that people play their playbook in all different time frames. It's like, do you have data that this playbook plays in the half a second, 1 second, the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 10, the 15, the half hour? It feels like that's where people, because you're gonna see the setup play out, right? So when you do not have a specific time frame that you stick to, let's say in my playbook, I use the 30 minute, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute, maybe get a better stop loss or to make my trade. That's it. I don't look anything below. I don't look anything above. I do just for understanding what we're looking for and understanding the story, but I look at 2 time frames. That's it. If I don't see anything on those 2 time frames, there's no reason for me to trade. So I don't have to overtrade because my setup is only going to show up every half hour or every 1 hour when there's volume. It's simple. Like there's no reason for me to overtrade. But I talked to some of the traders and they're like, oh yeah, there's a setup on the 3 minute time frame, and if it breaks the 10 minute high, and it's like, bro, you're looking at so many time frames. Like, can you stick to one and stick to the thing that works the most? And I feel like that's the reason why a lot of people overtrade, because they just see so many things in so many different time frames. So yeah, if you are probably doing some of that, I would say stick to 1 or 2, and that's saying you'll see that you have less trade opportunities and more quality. That's what I've seen that works for a lot of guys.
Yeah, bro, that's facts. I agree with 100% of everything you just said. Big facts.
Like if you do it as a test, I wonder how many people are watching this thing right now? 1,287. I wonder how many out of these 1,200 people watching this have collected years of data in different time frames to see that their strategy actually works on those time frames. I wonder how many people actually have done that.
Yep.
Because once you see that data, okay, so I simulated 2 years on these 2 time frames. My strategy works. Okay, I'm gonna go lower. Okay, my strategy works. So now you kind of have collected data, and then you've done it in the market. Then okay, great, you have a reason why to do that. But if you haven't done that and you're just kind of like experimenting on the live market, you're basically gambling, bro. Basically. So what happens is When you get into a trade, you take a loss. Now we feel pain. Our psychological response to that is revenge. Now we're gonna overtrade. Now we're gonna over leverage. Now we're emotionally trading. Now we're becoming gamblers. Just think about this. This is the perfect example that I gave that guy that I was working with. You have a store, right? And your store operating time is 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. You have all your workers and all that, but all of a sudden, you want to open up your store at midnight, from midnight to 4 a.m. Nobody's gonna come to your store. Nobody's gonna buy anything. At the end of the month, you're gonna see that your bills went up higher because you started your store when nobody was buying, but you have to still pay employees and stuff. Similar to trading. Like, when are we gonna, our system works when there is volume. And where's there volume? For example, for me, I used to do Asia. I'm not doing that anymore because I shifted some things this year. I'm doing pre-London, London Open, 2 to 5:30 p.m. my time. That's it. I'm not looking at anything else. I don't see volume, I'm out. I mean, I have 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. I just have that. It's a very tight window. If I miss it, great. I'm gonna go to New York. That's it. There's no reason for you to overtrade if you treat it like a business. That's when I open up my store. My store opens from 2 to 5:30. Nothing happens, I close my store and I come back from New York. Simple. Yeah. It's that simple, fellas.
Simple. It really is. That's facts, bro.
Yeah. And the reason
you take
why
everything.
I was gonna say the reason why a lot of us go down to a lower time frame, and I've done this before, is because there's no setup on the 30-minute time frame, right? So if there's no setup on the 30-minute time frame, which is your time frame, why are you going down to a lower time frame, right? Where you don't have data. Not saying that those lower time frames don't work, but you don't have the data on that time frame. Most of us, right? And that's why we go. And why do we go down? Because maybe we lost a trade, maybe we lost a good trade, right? That we couldn't have done anything about. It was just probability. But like Rafi said, you are beginning to trade emotionally, or you just always trade on emotion. So you go down because you want to revenge that trade and get that loss back right away. But there's no opportunity for you on the 1 hour to the 30 minutes. So you got to go down to the 1 minute. I've done it. I've done it. I go down to the 1 minute, go down to the 5 minute, try and take these stupid trades, get my loss back, and just puts you in a deeper hole. And then you just feel bad, right? You just start to feel bad. Like, damn, like I suck at this, and it's like, you don't want to feel like that, right? And you would have felt okay just taking a simple loss and moved on to the next trade, moved on to the next day. But because those emotions are there, you try and do everything you can to force that loss back, right? Force profits back into your account. And it's a simple newbie mistake, right? It's like I gotcha, right? You've been hustled by the market. It influenced you in a way where it made the decision for you. And that's never a good place to be.
The biggest advice that I'm gonna give you guys, and I'm gonna tell you this right now, 1279 people, I'm gonna go deep into these kind of issues, FOMO, overtrading, all the kind of stuff in the bootcamp. This was just a little bit of what I've experienced with some of the guys that I work with on the side, and just sharing a story. But we're gonna go deeper into this kind of stuff and why we as humans feel the emotions, and it's gonna help you to understand yourself, the reason why you feel that you have to be operating. But anyway, long story short, the advice, the perfect advice that I'm gonna give you guys is, if you can understand that you are getting paid in this game for doing the right things, once you understand that and you start doing, like, actually you choose to do the right things, trading is gonna become a lot easier. What do I mean by doing the right things? In your playbook, you gotta have, what are my time frames and when am I gonna be trading? That's part of your playbook. You're not gonna be at 10:13 a.m. trying to get a setup on a 5 minute if it's not part of your playbook, right? What are my time frames? When am I gonna be in the chart? You shouldn't be trying to get on a trade in the middle of the night in the 1 hour and the 1 minute time frame. That's not part of your playbook. Oh, you're trying to get in because the day is almost over and you wanna get into something? That's not part of your playbook. we already know what our playbook is. Now what you need to figure out is what time frames and what hours are you going to be operating. That's gotta be part of the playbook. If you can understand that that's part of doing the right things, that is doing the right thing, waiting for your setup is doing the right thing, and accepting that every trade is different than the other, and that this is pretty much a 50-50 kind of chance. It's a probability game. Once you understand that, things are going to start becoming a lot easier. You're going to start understanding the losses. You're going to start accepting the losses a little better, and you're not going to feel emotional as much.
Yeah. Yeah. And look, for those of you who do trade the 5 minute or the 1 minute, maybe you could just reverse that. Maybe you have the data on those time frames, but you don't have the data on the 30 minute. So you should be sticking with the 5 minute and the 1 minute, which you have the data on, right? You may try and revenge off the 30 minutes. So remember, our way is not right. Our way is just right for us, right? Your way is right for you. So it goes for anything. Some of you guys, maybe you trade off the 4 hour time frame. So we're not saying that the lower time frames aren't good. We're saying time frames that you don't have your data collected isn't good, right? So maybe that's 5 minute, maybe it's 30 minute, maybe it's 1 hour, but you got to understand what it is for you, and then stick to what you know works, right? What you know works for you.
If you have years, yeah, if you have, well, not years, but if you have enough data collected in the half a second time frame and it's working for you, you don't need to be going to the 1 minute, or I mean to the 1 hour, to 2 hour, or whatever it is, right? Yeah. If that time frame that you're operating works for you and you have data collected, that's part of your playbook. Simple as that. But don't be just jumping all over if you don't have the data collected, because that's when you're gonna start overtrading.
Yeah, that's facts.
Which time frame do I usually trade on? I usually trade on the 30 minute 1 hour time frame. So as you guys can see, I usually, it's only the 3 time frames that I really use: 30, 15, 1 hour. It looks like we've taken quite a few of each one this year, but looking into last year, a lot of 30 minute, right? A lot of 30 minute, 30, 30, 30, 30. Very rarely 5 minute here and there, right? What time was that? 3:15. That was FOMC. So only when there's high volume will I go down and counsel with a lower time frame. Other than that, it's 30 minute, 15, 1 hour. All day. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, yep. See, 30 minute. Mainly 30 minute. Now look, if you don't track your data and track your trades, you don't have this information to go off of now, right? So you just confused, right? So that's why it's so important to track your trades, gang. Track your data, collect your data, study your data, and use the data to make you a better trader over time. Yeah, a lot of 30 minutes, a lot of 30s.
Big facts.
Yeah, the other thing is, like, whatever you do right now as a beginner, like, I'm talking to beginners. If you are an expert and, you know, you're super profitable trading in the half second time frame, that's, you know, that's good for you. That works for you. But for beginners, I'm speaking to beginners, understand that your mindset on trading is going to come from the programming that you achieved while you were learning. So if you are a jumper, if you're constantly jumping different time frames, you're flipping the TV, trying to catch something, that's going to be your way of trading. So for you to rewire that, to actually become a little more disciplined, is going to take a little bit of time. So I would say, if you're beginning right now, if you're starting, stick to, yeah, we want to see at the, you know, higher time frames because we see the story, but then try to get or perfect 2 time frames for your entries, and you stick to that for a while. Or if you don't like that, just try to collect data, but do not just jump all over them and you don't master one. Just master 1 to 2, and then with experience, then you know you can go and play lower if you want, you know.
Yeah, gotta start somewhere.
Yep.
We got the president in the house.
Presidente, Sam's here. Sammy Capital's here. All right, now the whole crew's in house.
The one and only.
Whole crew is
Sam the man.
House. Let's pop him up here. Hold on.
Walk with me.
Nice. We got a small crew in here on Zoom today. That's good.
Zoomers.
Zoomers be zooming.
Yo.
Let us Zoomer zoom.
What up, Sam?
Oi!
On Zoomers?
Oi!
Oi! Who's the first one to say it today? Let's see.
Me. Oi! I'm
Cheers
the
next
first
door.
one.
Let's get it.
Oh,
What up,
man.
Chan?
Candle slanger. Oi, oi, oi. Let's see it in the chat. What up, what up, what up, what up? Friday. Woo. You guys flying?
Yes,
Going crazy or
sir.
what?
Oh, what up, Sammy Capital?
Yeah, not much, not much. I was just listening to you guys cook, bro. Yo,
Cook.
you guys are spitting, bro. You guys hopefully in the chat taking some notes here. You guys are not wrong at all.
We're going hard today, man. It's just coming out.
Yeah.
It's that Friday.
I love
W
it.
gang. What up,
Yeah, but I
Mr.
got
Mac?
Shower. Had to get clean.
Shower, shower.
And,
Hey.
Two guys with hats, two guys with no hats. That's perfect.
and I ain't putting it on.
Perfect. Perfecto.
Oi.
We bring a little heat sometimes.
What up, Chris?
We
Yeah.
do a little heat.
Give a little heat.
We do a little. We do a little.
Get it.
We'll
Oi.
drop some nuggets here and there.
Hopefully you
Scott.
guys didn't have too big of a breakfast, so your mind's clear to
Yeah.
catch the wisdom.
Oh, we got the guitar going in the background. It is 8:45. Perfect. Scott says your advice from the boot camp on waiting for the 1 hour closure during lower volume times than the 30, maybe the 15 during high volume was gold for me. Yeah. See, Scott's going back, watching the boot camp. I encourage you all, those of you guys who were at the boot camp and you do have the recordings, I encourage you guys to go rewatch it this weekend. Right? There was so much knowledge, so much wisdom there. If you go back and rewatch it, you know, sometimes we set these goals and we begin to fall off, right? We kind of slip away from the beaten path, right? So get yourself back on it. You know, go rewatch the boot camp, get yourself back on that path that you're supposed to be on, and come back next week just fired up. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
They're continuous learners. Let's get it.
The longest I've
Knowledge and
ever held a
understanding
trade.
brings wisdom.
Longest I ever held a
Yeah.
trade. I think that was like probably like 8 or 9 hours. Yeah, probably 8 or 9 hours. My good old intraday strategy back in the day.
What's up with my hair? I just got out the shower, bro. Chill, Sergio. Leave me alone, bro.
Sergio.
Chill.
Yeah, chill, bro.
By the way, gang, we're giving away, for those of you guys that just popped in, we're giving away two $50,000 challenge accounts here today, thanks to Top One. All you got to do is come to this video right here and leave a comment on the video. I think the comments should be heating up. Yeah, 651 now. So yeah, don't forget to leave a comment. I will drop the link in here for you guys. But we want all you guys to get a chance to win. So don't forget to comment, like the video as well. And don't forget to be subbed to the channel. But because before we give you the account, we're going to make sure you're subbed to the channel. Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Life changing.
Oh yeah. 50K can do.
It ain't nothing to
Do
play
some
with.
good.
Yeah, 50K is good. Yeah, 50K
sure.
is good.
Yeah.
So I like 50K. I think 50K accounts are perfect.
Yeah. Don't full margin it either. Work it, man. Work the
Yeah,
account.
no, yeah.
Yeah. It's a free gift.
Preserve it.
Yeah, preserve
K
it,
likes
man.
50K too.
Okay.
Bro, the potential to make $500 USD from your computer is insane. So
Oh,
Yeah,
Always
just
like
imagine if you do that. If you do that from the mall, you made a couple grand from the mall. You know what I'm saying? Like from your
Yeah.
phone. Like, yo,
Exactly.
when you do that, it's like all belief systems and everything that you had once in your life just gets shattered. It's like, bro, why do I even need to show up to a job? Like, what? Well, I could do this from my phone. Like,
exactly.
Yeah, for real.
bingo.
Yeah, exactly. That's why it's like,
Yep.
why risk it on like chasing stupid setups like you guys are talking about? Like, you know, like if you have sample size data for like your lower time frames and that, but if you don't, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's no
Yeah.
different of like, just like, yeah, bro. Because then you get into the, oh, I should have done this, or bro, imagine if I would have done this, right? Because you don't have a plan. You're just, you know, I hear that so much at the casino with all them gamblers in there, bro. It's no different.
Mhm.
you know, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like when I used to do smart money concepts, my entries were in the 5 minute and 1 minute time frame. Like that's where I was catching my trades, you know. But it's smart money concepts, and I was getting like 9 and 10 hours, right? So I try to do the same thing with this, just not on the live market, but like, bro, it's not the same ball game. It just moves different. The strategy is different. It's like, no, what am I doing here? I'm gonna go back to, you know, where I know it works. And I could see that when I was, you know, like shifting from smart money concepts to this style, my brain was confused for a while. Like I was trying to, you know, I wanted to go back to the 5-minute time frame. I'm like, no, just go back over here. It took a little bit to kind of like rewire and adjust the way of thinking, you know, because we see the big picture. Over here we don't. We just focus on little, you know, sections. So like what I'm telling you helped me to like not think too much, because that's a problem. We look at a level of, you know, support or resistance in the 5-minute, but we're trying to enter out of the 30. It doesn't really matter, honestly. You know what I'm saying? If you're using volume, it's gonna get shattered anyway. So it's just like when you have that overthinking, bro, now you're not trading. Now you're just thinking too much. You're just complicating it. You just get nervous. You just like, it's just, you know, it's just too complicated.
And then I think it comes down to like just experiencing it, right? Like, because, you know, I think, me personally at least, I've tried just about everything. Every single indicator, every single strategy. Like, I've dabbled with the smart money just like a little bit. But like, my point being is like, you just start to understand a chart, right? You just start to see the candles more. That's really why we preach, like, you know, coming here every single day, showing up to the chart, and, you know, paying attention to what the candles are doing. Because, like, for example, if you're only like watching like the 5-minute and you see like a breakout on the 5-minute, well, it's like you're still waiting for that next 30-minute candle to do the driving anyways. So like that could be a fake out, right? And then eventually you take so many losses, you get burnt, you get clapped, and you either learn from it or, you know, you quit. But
yes, sir.
Yeah, like,
because there honestly becomes like a point in your mental psyche that you can't handle it anymore.
Yeah,
right. You're either gonna drive yourself nuts or you're gonna run out of capital.
It's like that, or it's like you just tell yourself, I'm never going to make it, bro. I'm never going to reach where I want to be if I don't like just stop doing this one thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
that's the worst thing that you want to say. Also, never want to say that.
Well, nah, I mean, yeah, true, but I say that to myself, bro. That scares the shit out of me. It's like,
no, we all at
real.
some point say that, you know, because it's like so much pain. They're just like, bro, give me a break.
No, for real. That's
You
what
know?
I thought too, man. I'll be like, yo, if I don't fix this, I got to go back to a job at some point. That
Yeah.
scared the daylights out of me. That was enough to put a fire under me.
For sure.
right? Yeah, bro. Like, yeah.
That's something that I posted. Like I got invited to this podcast like last year, and the guy was asking me about, you know, do you have a plan B? I'm like, nah, bro. I grew up having a plan B, and having a plan B never helped me to do anything. So like when I shifted that, things started shifting, you know. It's like, because when you have a plan A, you make it work, bro. It's life or death. And that's the reason why the Dominican kids are so good at baseball, because all they know is making it in the big leagues. They are born to do that. And if you think about baseball, Dominican players are a powerhouse in the game. So there's no plan B for these guys. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, when you don't have a plan B and you focus on plan B, and plan A, and that's all you know, bro, your subconscious finds the way to make it work. It's insane. That's where magic happens.
That's big facts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, real quick here. We did get a 4-hour closure, so we closed above here very nicely on a gold 4-hour candle. So we created this little high. I want to see now if we can re-break this low, right? Because our stops are way down here, about 60 pips, right? And we don't want to keep our stops here, because as we know, market can come down, break that low, stop us out, and then keep going. So what we want to do here is see if we could potentially get a little bit of a steeper bottom wick, and then look to take our buys. Yeah, it's only the first 1 minute of the 4-hour candle here, so want to let this thing open up, and we've got an 8-pip bottom wick. Interesting.
Yeah, I would.
Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, and then GJ, I don't think it's too good right now. And then Nas also closed bullish here on the 4-hour as well. So same thing with Nas. I mean, if we can get another support formed right down back at this level, then we could take our buys moving back up. That means the 4-hour should be gearing up and ready to go. So we'll wait on that. GJ 4-hour closed right below resistance. So we'll see what happens here. This can get a little bit tough. I'm gonna wait for a, yeah, you see a nasty range here. So we gotta wait for a 15-minute candle, probably even a 30-minute candle to close above that range before we can say, okay, we can move up here. So gold we'll wait on. Again, first 2 minutes of the 4-hour candle here. So just gonna sit back and wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and then may have a position after that. Holy, when am I gonna do the giveaway? We're gonna do the giveaway in like I don't know, like a little bit, a couple of minutes.
Just wait on it.
We're gonna get the. We're gonna get.
Just wait on it.
We're gonna get the giveaway after we get 1,000 likes.
Yeah, we need 1,000 likes.
Let's get to 1,000 likes. We get the giveaway.
Bare minimum.
Yeah, we'll either do it whenever I feel like it, or once we get 1,000 likes. And by the way, so like if we can get like this to do something like this, even on like the 15-minute time frame, close back below, and then close back above. Now we have a new support, right? And we have a breakout. So if we can get something like this to form, right? Our nearest support is down here at this point, and our stops have to be down here. But if we can get this on the 15, we can keep our stops below the lows here, and we can take our buy positions on the next candle to move up at 9:30. Yeah. So we'll see if things hold up for us. And yeah. What's the giveaway about? We are giving away 2 $50,000 challenge accounts here today. So you have to be subscribed to the channel, and you also have to go comment on this random video right here. Yeah, we're giving away 2 50K challenge accounts thanks to Top One Trader here today. And all you gotta do is comment. So you leave a comment, sub to the channel. We're, like I said, we are gonna check if you guys are subbed to the channel. So make sure you are subbed. It looks like the comments are running up here very well, nicely. So yeah, that's it. Like the stream, like this stream, and like this video too for some bonus luck, some extra luck for you.
Ooh, bonus luck. We like that.
Some extra. Put the probabilities in your favor. Who has read The Alchemist? Yes, great book. Great book. Where's Joe Stew?
Joe Stew.
Scott. Oh, yo, looking beefy in that video. Hey, yo.
Yeah, I'm about to say,
Hey, yo.
I peeped that too.
Whoa.
Some cows, bro.
By the way, we got some new mods today. Yeah, we got some new mods today. Pop that one on you randomly. Oh, yeah. It's a good Friday, friends. It's a good Friday.
Yeah. Someone asked, can you start quaking now? A minute ago? Yes, now you can. Now you can. Yo, AB Mike too. I seen you said, what up? Yo, and I also seen your birthday the other day, and I didn't get to say happy birthday, so happy birthday, AB Mike.
AB Mike with the B-Day.
Belated.
Happy belated.
Sam lated.
My comments on the top of that video? Oh, nice.
Happy birthday, AB Mike.
Yes, sir.
Yo, are you lagging, bro?
You got my birthday with that. R2D2. Oh, no. Yeah, we got some new mods in the house today. We have about 4 new mods that we want to pick, but we're gonna pick 2 today, and then I think we're gonna pick 2 next week. And what I'm gonna do is over the weekend, I'm gonna try and negotiate like another 50K account maybe to give away. Yeah, I'm gonna push for it. Let's see.
New mods?
Yeah. By the way, all the new mods, all the mods get 25K challenge accounts. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
25K.
Yeah. Yes, sir. We
We're
pushing,
off
man. We
quick.
pushing for the squad. We're trying to get every little thing we can. Every crumb we can. I told you I'm a master negotiator.
Yeah.
If the room is shaking, you might be quaking. Hey, I like that.
A 9:30 celery on a Friday would be lovely.
And then we'll bump same friends on the way out. What do you guys say?
W.
Sounds great.
On a Friday. Ain't it?
Blessings.
Oh yeah, that.
Followed by that.
We'll have a big party after the live stream here today.
I'll stay on the Zoom to sing. Psych.
Psych. Yeah, so gold coming down perfectly. We want to see if we could break that low there and even potentially close bearish on the 15 like we talked about. You know, a little fake out back below here. Maybe even get a candle to close with no bottom wick. All right, get this candle to potentially just kind of close here with no bottom wick. And then the next one close back above. All right, back above. And then we have a new support formed and we have some wicks to fill. We have volume that's going to come in, and then you may see a nice, you know, next couple 15-minute candles here.
Yep. That's why we wanted to avoid those gold buys, though.
Yep. Yeah, that's why we didn't take the gold buys in the first couple minutes there either. I know someone did, right? I know some of you guys did, and that's just the reason why we didn't. I really like the payout method on top trader. Yeah, exactly. The bank transfer and even PayPal. So you guys know I try and avoid crypto if possible for ins and outs. I just like to hold crypto. So yeah, that was another big thing too with them.
Yeah, it's sick.
How to be a mod? You just be one. You know, you just There's no.
How do you be a professional
You don't
trader?
choose. Yeah, you don't get to choose. Mod,
Yeah.
mod chooses you.
A mod can't be
chooses-
made. A mod is
Yeah.
born.
Well, exactly. DK. Yeah, you don't get to choose to become mod. Mod becomes you.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Mod
You just
chooses
you just
you.
kind of fall into it naturally. It happens a lot through involvement, right? Helping other people, being someone that shows up every day, active, you know, things like that. You were born a mod. Let's go. I don't think we ever broke that low there. I don't think we ever broke the low.
What, on gold?
Yeah.
No, we did.
Did we?
Yeah. On the 30-minute?
$30-minute, 4-hour, 1 hour, all the same low, I guess.
Yeah, that first 15 minutes of that 4 hour though, I ain't touching.
Nah.
I ain't touching.
And honestly, I'll be the first. I'll tell you guys straight up. I suck before 9:15. That's what the data says. Right? So I listen to the data. My data isn't the greatest between 9 and 9:15, but I noticed that the trades I take after 9:15, I have much more success. Right? So instead of jumping around looking at, you know, price moving up, I just wait. Just wait for what works best for me.
Yeah, no, I'll actually never forget it. Like in 2022, I remember I took, I think it was 7 trades between 9 and 9:15 before I finally looked at like my data, and I looked at how many of them I won. Out of 7 trades, 1.
Wow.
So I
Yep.
wrote it on a sticky note and had it there for the rest of the year in 2022. No
Yeah.
trades between 9 and 9:15, bro. It's not worth it. If you lose that much, why?
Yeah, it's understandable too why things could trip up a little bit because you have this new 4-hour candle opening up. So yeah, the 1 hour, the 30-minute looks good, but you have to understand it's also the open of a new 4-hour candle. So that 4-hour candle may take a couple minutes to really make its bottom wick and pick a direction and all that good stuff. So that's why you can get tripped up on the 15 and the 30, you know, prior to like 9:15, 9:30.
Yeah, I would almost argue that it does that on purpose as well because it knows people are like jumping
Antsy.
early,
Yeah,
putting their
antsy to get
stops
in.
below the current candle. So
Yep.
it's just gonna keep bink collecting orders, grabbing
Yeah.
all of those orders.
Yeah, because everyone in buys right now, for the most part, have their stops sitting right here. Right? I know y'all stops ain't here. Right? And the market knows that too. So a lot of times they'll come down, boom, right? And then pop up. And that'll be a little 15-minute support form right here. Stops buyers out and then price rips. Right? Fills these wicks and all that good stuff. Kind of looks like a rocket ship. Rocket ship. So we'll see if it happens today. And look, some days, gang, some days, 9 a.m. freaking runs. Thing runs. What are you gonna do? You can only act off your data. When that happens, I'm cool with it, because I know that I'd much rather wait for 9:15.
I could tell you that happens less than 1 in 7 times.
Yeah.
That it runs like that. I can tell you that, bro.
LSFX, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Beautiful. Beautiful. You're welcome, my friend. Sergio TT Bank Santos.
It's like getting a scratch off and expecting to win like a big winner. Come on, come on.
And there it goes.
Between 9 and 9:15.
There it goes.
Grabbing orders.
That's a W.
Just got hit. Yeah, that right. Exactly, John. So that right there, if you held out and you waited, W.
Mm-hmm. Right. Because remember, we're not profitable off the trades we take, but we're profitable off the trades we don't take. The ones we avoid, right? The ones that don't make sense with our system and our rules.
I know what some of you guys are doing too. I see you. You're going, maybe just a little bit lower.
Pulling themselves.
Just keep dragging it up.
A little bit lower there. Don't be that guy. But yeah, there's your bottom wick. Just look at it.
You look at that.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
I'd rather a celery here, man. The celery would be beautiful.
Yeah, celery would be nice. Candle close above. Entry on the break of the highs. See ya. See ya. Guilty? All good, Dolphy. All good, man. All good.
Yeah, and you know, we aren't here to like make fun of no one, obviously, either. But
not at all.
It's just because we've learned.
Yeah.
You know? It's funny to us at this point, right?
We actually learned this last year. So, you know, up until then, I was trading 9 a.m. all the time. You know, but last year is where we really learned this, especially, gang, when you have this type of previous candle here. See this candle, right? Especially, this is in a way an overextended breakout. If you take a buy right here, because you only have one option for stops, like we talked about earlier on the stream, right? And then we just talked about now. And then your second option is here. So what you really want to wait for is a new support to be formed, right? You want to wait for that 4 hour to get its bottom wick going. And then on the 15, oh, look, perfect. You see how this 15 closed a no bottom wick? So now if we can get this 15 here to close back above like this, right? Now you have a new support formed and price to run up. Right? Clip it, TK. Simple.
Clip it.
Simple.
Clip it.
So we drew this out earlier. We'll see if we can get it to play out.
Sir, scope.
You have that nice celery.
Scott.
You got moving the stop loss right now, like.
That's Scott's all-in setup. 9:30 setup.
Yeah. Honestly, when I'm old,
Yeah, you remember 9:30.
When I'm old and gray, that's gonna be the only trade I take. 9:30 celery. If it ain't there, it ain't there. I'll come back the next day. I'll be working with so much capital that at 9:30 I could take a celery, make maybe like 6 figures, and just go back on my boat and hang out on the lake, play with my grandkids.
All right. 2 pips in profit. Closing.
All right, and done for the week.
The chain 50K.
Just wait on it.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
That's hilarious. That's
I might up my lot size if we get the 9:30 celery. Get it, Joe. Get it. How many trades you take this year?
Yo, Scott,
One
facts.
trade, 9:30 celery. 6 figs.
For real.
Full margin Friday. I'm down. I'm down. Full margin these 50K accounts.
Let's get it.
Here, gang. Here's the link. So if you guys want a chance to win a $50,000 challenge account, click the YouTube link that I just posted in the chat. Leave a like and a comment and sub to the YouTube channel, and you will have your chance to win a $50,000 challenge account here today with Top One Trader. Shout out to the boys at Top One. It's gonna be a good story for our grandchildren. Yeah, exactly. Yes, sir.
Man, doing that with a big account here in Bali, bro, you're gonna be
You're gonna move
Big
to Bali.
chilling.
for months. For months,
Yo,
you're
facts.
gonna be chilling.
Dude, that's why I'm out, bro. I'm out to Bali. About to be.
Sick.
Bro, $1 million
Sick.
funded account, dude. You're
That's
big
too
chilling. You're living luxury.
Bro, you're gonna have
Luxury.
like the massage therapist move in the villa and massage you every day.
Holy.
Yeah, that's facts.
I'm trying to find my max lot size again. Where is that? You guys know? Max lot size. I think it's. No.
Where? What do you mean? Like where it says it?
Yeah, max.
Look on the, but it's below the sell and buy, up in the left corner, top left corner.
Nah, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it on Magic Keys.
Is it at the top?
Yeah, because right now my max lot is 10 lots. Who knows? Anybody know? Chat?
So
Look for all the values that say 10.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I don't see it
I
here.
don't see it.
I know it's here somewhere. I should be a pro at this because I remember
Is it?
I remember upping it back in my revenge and overtrading days, like Rafi was talking about. All right, yep, going to 50 lots here on my 100K account. 2 pip stops.
I know I shouldn't be doing it, but I'm doing it.
You set percentage to lots? No, because that would mean I'm now trading lots, fixed lots. So it's not in there, I don't think. All good. I'll figure it out. All good. All good. Holy. Vote Sam for Prezi. He is Prezi. He's the Prezi.
True. Put me on the right end, bro.
Wow, look at this
Sam.
gold back down.
Capital.
Vote for Sam. Let's get it. Sam
And
Trump.
now, if you're in the buys and you got previous stops, you're Quake.
Those of you who are
Where's the
dragging,
inhaler?
dragging
Plus, it's
You're a
coming
big
right
Quake.
to your SL. Yeah.
See, a lot of time the Quakers, they're not even mad about our trade we lost. They're really coming in mad about like the 4 trades they lost before they jumped on the stream, and they were hoping, just hoping that that if they came on this stream that they would be able to, you know, quadruple their lot size and get everything back, and then they blow the account and then they're quaking, and it's just a mess on their end, you know.
Yeah, they gotta put the blame
Yeah,
somewhere
I know.
else. Yeah, it couldn't have been their fault.
Certainly isn't my fault that I blew the account. Yeah, it is. Ass wipe.
Whatever you say.
The Quakers are the best. Max lot size on the 14th line. My man. Let me check this out.
Yo. Shout out to Cocky 123.
Yo, Nick, what's the weather looking like today, bro? It was pretty warm this morning.
Weather today?
I'm checking.
Ooh, it should be nice. It's nice
Ooh, it's-
here. I think it's like almost 60, bro.
Oh, damn, it's pretty good for you. Yeah, it's 70 right now. We're looking at 80s later in the day, so
Yeah, 58 right now, baby.
yeah,
Nice.
not bad, bro. It's not bad.
Not looking
Yesterday.
Dang,
great.
you're gonna get the AC going?
Yeah.
yeah, just about, bro. So I'm saying I'm already got his
Nah, that's
freaking
crazy.
sweats just sitting here. Sheesh. That's what I was saying to my dad. I was like, bro, it's gonna go from 5 degrees to like 50. I'm gonna be so used to 5, I'm gonna be sweating. I'll be outside in a t-shirt, or I was like, I'll go outside, no shirt on, just shorts.
Is this the
Start
14th
That's how they.
line down, or am I tripping? 1, 2, 3.
Nah, for real. That's how you get. You're just trying to change the lot size. It's right there.
Which one?
Look,
Should
you know where you set your risk percentage? You just change your lot there. It's right below it.
Yeah,
It
no.
says if fixed lot size, you have it set to 20.
Yeah, no, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to use a fixed lot. I just want to risk 2%
Also,
or 1%.
percentage of.
But what they'll do
Yeah,
is they'll typically give you a max lot. So in case you got like a 2-pip stop, you could open up like a 900 lot.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I should probably just shut my mouth on you. In case.
AC's on
I
every
might
day.
end up having this dude doing something to me.
Open up a 64 lot.
Yeah. Quadruples the
Scott,
lot.
let's go. Big facts.
Interesting.
They're probably like, sir, you need to put some shoes on.
Yeah, I don't get it, bro. Like here you see people shirtless, shoeless. Nobody gives up. Nobody says nothing, bro. You just let you live. Let you live. You go surfing, whatever you get done. You come eat. You're on your shorts. You're wet, no shoes. Nobody says not one thing, bro.
Just dry off.
They ask you, sir, you want a coconut?
Where, bro?
Coconut.
That's what I'm saying.
Yo, it's like not even real, bro. It doesn't feel real. It's like you just come in, nobody cares. Like it's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm there, bro. You'll see me there
Have
soon.
some coconut water, man.
Take some
Sounds
shoes
like
off.
yeah, it does sound like a good time, man. No shirt, no shoes.
There they tell you.
Yo,
take
you
your
need
shoes
to
off, here they
experience
tell
it,
you put
bro.
on.
Once I just tell people, it's like, bro, you come here and you experience the energy. I mean, that's like, some people don't even know what that means. But once you come here, you experience the energy, and then you actually experience what it is, like the life, and like these people, bro, like they're just so smiley. They're just so kind. It's just like, bro, it's like you literally experience paradise. Because don't get me wrong, bro. In some areas of the world, people are angry as fuck. And like here, like you don't really see that much. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, wow, this is
very
definitely something different.
Yeah,
Very true.
Yeah, that's true. I feel like I see some people and it's like their first instinct is just get mad at everything. Mad, anger, mad.
Mad. You get mad happy? You ever been mad happy?
Try explaining that to someone.
People who don't
Doesn't know
speak English are
English.
like, wait, what? Is he mad or is he happy?
I mean, it's perspective.
You mad, bro?
Goldie,
Just mad happy right now. Just mad happy.
Goldie, I wanted the celery. What the hell?
Oh.
Goldie, how you doing? Goldie, yeah. America.
That's how you know America's not the same when people don't even call it America anymore.
All right, 9:30 here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See how the candle closes.
Chad, if you see a veteran today, thank him for his service. Because you just
America.
might.
Turn into Barack. America. We the people of this nation.
Barack Obama.
Obama. Joey Beaton.
Oh, Brandon.
Might have to hit some more push-ups here if this candle closes back in the range. Yeah, you got to support right here too, chat. This one right here. So we may be able to play that one. We'll see. See how this candle closes in 1 minute. Last few times that we held off on 930 gold, it kind of looks similar to this, where there was like a few little pieces right here, but we blew through it no problem, filled the wick. So we'll see what happens at this range here. Yeah, shout out to all my people in Italy. I remember when you opened 30 lots by accident. Yeah. Yeah, that was actually right before a payout too, man. I had like 11K payout, and it was in like 2 days, and I messed up on that trade, and yeah, I lost like 3K on that.
Yep, remember that.
I was like, no, 2 days before my payout. I cannot believe he's running for re-election. Joe Biden and running should never go in the same sentence.
Where can he walk? Falls over every time.
Crazy.
Alright, let's peek out. Let's peek Nas here real quick. Oh yeah, this ain't too bad here on the 30-minute. Yeah, this ain't too bad here on Nas. 30-minute breakout. Let's take a look at gold one more time here. Gold does not look like it's going to close below. Yeah, unfortunately, we're back in the range here on gold, so nothing we could do there. Wow, Nas. Holy. Yeah. No top wick here, so we'll probably come up and make a top wick. And then this is not the greatest range either. So let me see the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, if this 15 here can close bearish below, I think Nas will drive down here. But not yet. It's not ready yet. We need this 15-minute candle to close here, because other than that, we could just move up bullish. Sleepy Joe.
No point in all this.
Yeah, me too.
I'm flying through 40 time frames trying to get an entry. I'm kidding.
Hold on. Hold on. Can we get it on the 1
No
minute?
entry on the 30. Go on the 5.
Nah, y'all know. Y'all know I'm on my
20-second time frame gave you a celery play. Come on, what are you doing, Nick? FOMO's kicking in. Good. Good. Be aware of it. Recognize it. Deny it.
Replace it with that logical thought, that plan. What does the plan say? Follow the plan.
Remember what John said yesterday, right? There's no top wick here. Right? No top wick. So this candle may come back up to create that top wick. And if it does, and you enter here, now you're in a trade that you wish you were not in. Right? And it sucks to be in a trade that you wish you weren't in, right? You'd rather not be in wishing you were in than to be in wishing you were not in. Does that make sense? Rewind it. Rewind it back.
And that, my friend, is the question you got to hit yourself with when you are trying to enter a trade based off of FOMO. Hit yourself with that.
Oh yeah, coming
We
from
get so
Remember, gang,
focused.
you're getting paid.
1 hour stops.
You're getting paid to do the right thing.
We get so focused on the reward that we forget that we can only control the risk, right? So let's understand what the risk as well to this. Exactly, Jonathan. Yes, sir. Just like we replace positive thoughts with negative thoughts, we need to replace emotional thoughts with logical thoughts in trading. Yeah.
GJ is GJ. Let's look at GJ. I'm gonna look at GJ.
To help you guys with FOMO here and to get your mind off of it, we're gonna announce our new mods. What do you say? And then we're gonna get to the giveaway here in just a little bit. We're trying to get a trade in before the giveaway, but as we wait on this 15 close here on gold and especially on Nas, this is perfect that we broke the highs here. If we can close back below, very high chance we begin to drive down there. We're going to pick some mods here. We got 4 mods total, but we're only going to pick 2 today. Yeah, we're going to pick 2 today, but just know that there are 2 that are still coming.
I have no idea who they're about to be. Let's see this.
All right, so we'll pick 2 today, and we'll pick 2 next week. And there's probably 10 people in the running for this because you guys are just awesome. So, here's our, okay, perfect. Let me look at gold before we do that.
Who's gonna be the mod? I have someone in mind.
Someone said they know who
Yeah,
it is. Let's see.
I have a couple of people in mind too.
Let's see. Type in the chat who you guys think might Oh, I see what you're looking at, Nick.
All right, so our first mod is weighing in at 9. No, our first mod here today is someone who's been around for a while, someone who's been extremely committed, someone who not only is committed to showing up every day, but someone who has taken the knowledge and taken the wisdom and has actually applied it into their life and more importantly, well, into their trading, but more importantly into their life. And I'm trying to look for his name, but I think I've seen it. But yeah, it's somebody that you guys probably understand why and who. And let's see if we can get him here. Hold on one sec.
Drum roll. Drum roll.
So if you think you're a mod, if you think you're that guy, go ahead and put a W in the chat, and we will see who it turns out to be.
Where they at? Where they at?
Where they at, though? Where they at? I think we have found him. So, introducing our new mod. Appreciate all the work you've done. Very proud of you for the work you've done and excited about where you're going. Mr. AB Mike is the newest Time to Eat mod. Mr. AB Mike has truly been committed and has really taken the knowledge, man. Really taken the knowledge. Very proud of him.
Get it.
Very humble guy. Very humble dude. And he's been working his tail off, and he earns this, right? Not only is he gonna get what he deserves. Oh, look at that! Look at that wrench on AB Mike. There we go.
Looking good.
Yeah, you're a stud with that wrench, boy.
Dang,
wrench,
though.
son. Big W. Big W.
Happy birthday, brother. Happy
So,
birthday.
Shout out to AB Mike. We really appreciate all your help here, bro. Like as I always say, like it takes a whole crew to run this operation here. It's not just a one-man show. It's a group of people. So we appreciate you. Welcome to the village of the mods. You're also going to add to your 300K worth of funding. We're going to put another 25K in there for you, bro. And yeah, I know you'll do the right thing with it. I know you'll take advantage of it. And we're excited to see where you go from here, bro.
Yeah. W's AB Mike.
W's.
AB Mike,
Big
you'll be
W.
a valuable asset to the community.
Yep.
You already are. You already are.
Exactly. And
Nice.
the second mod today is, and again, we have 2 more mods coming next week, but the second mod today is someone who is a standout name. You see him all the time. He's here in the morning. He's here in the afternoon. He's here when we shut down the stream. He's always helping out in the chat, and I'm super proud of him. I know he's been putting a lot of work in behind the scenes. I know he's also been helping people that he may not even know that he's helping, but I've heard people message me saying that, man, this guy really takes what you're saying and applies it in his life, and it's an example for me. So Mr. Louis G is the second mod of the day, who's a real top G. And again, man, we appreciate your commitment and being here on time every day. Winners come early and they stay late. And that's what Louis G has been doing over the past few months. He comes early, he stays late, he takes every little nugget, every little piece of wisdom, and just uses it to his advantage. So shout out to AB Mike and Louis G. Big day for you guys. Excited for the future of you guys. Excited to have you guys a part of the inner circle here at Time to Eat. And cheers to a bright future, my mans. Yeah, W's. W for the
Louis
boys.
G, AB Mike, woo.
Louis G. Lord, I lift my
Let's get some
hands.
binks in the chat. Binks in the chat.
Bing.
Bing,
And
bing.
if you're upset that it wasn't you, just wait on it. There's 2 more coming next week. Early next week, too.
Wait on it.
Yeah, I want to make
Felicidades, hermanito. Felicidades.
I want to make the other guys
Yes, see.
wait a little bit because I know they can handle it. I know they can handle the weight.
Yeah, they got the discipline. Their patience muscle is
Oh
flexing.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Yep.
Yeah,
Let's
W's.
go. Good stuff, gang.
Well deserved though. Well deserved mods. Yeah, just like Nick said, you guys are super valuable assets to the community. Like Nick
Hell
said,
yeah.
you help out. Yeah, bro. You guys are beasts.
Yeah, appreciate you guys. All the mods recognized you too, and yeah, it's undeniable.
Beautiful.
Yep. And then the other two are awesome. I know you guys can handle the weight. I'm gonna make you guys wait for the weekend because you two are some special ones. So just wait on it.
Yeah,
Just wait on it.
Don't worry.
Just wait on it.
Go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, sir. But W, yeah, congratulations. So we'll see if we can come up here and give us our 1 hour salary, or we may just you see how we're getting that top wick now on gold, moving back up right in this zone. So we never close below, therefore we can't really pull the trigger just yet. Yo, AB Mike, got you, man. The chat loves you, bro.
Maybe Mike.
Yes, sir. You earned it, man. You guys, all the mods earn it. They all earn it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, Louis G looking good with that wrench, brother.
Yeah, sure.
That's a top
Louis
G now.
looking fresh.
Oh yeah. Honestly, I feel bad. I kind of want to give
wrench, though.
the other 2 mods like the mod here today. Damn, should we flip a coin? I actually feel bad.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
Follow your word.
Just wait on it.
Stick to it. All right, we'll make them wait the weekend out.
Then we have something to look forward to, I guess.
Yeah, maybe on
They'll
Monday.
come back
On Monday we'll do
stronger.
it.
At least they know that you feel bad. You almost broke on it.
Yeah, that's true.
They'll come back stronger next week.
That's how you know. That's how you know, Nick. He almost gave you that little switcheroo.
Almost. All right, yeah, W, man. We're really excited to have you guys as mods, though. You guys are a great fit, great addition to the mod squad, and yeah, I'm gonna add you guys into the mod squad channel on Discord, and then I'm gonna ask you for some information so I can get you all some new capital to play with. Yep. Oh, you're welcome, Pro Trader. Good stuff, man. Yeah, excited that we're all kind of working with the same firm here too. Kind of keeps everything under one roof, and I think we could do some awesome stuff with these guys. Let's have the people from Time to Eat be the top earners in their company. That way they fly us all out for free. What do you guys say?
Yeah.
TT meetups in Tulum and Bali. Let's get it.
Ooh.
Rafi ain't even got to have no airfare.
Yo,
in his
I'll
backyard.
take care of everything out here, bro. You guys set up with transportation, food. Oh, I got you.
Let's go.
Nah, I'm whipping scooters.
I'm
gonna have that thing
bro,
up on
that's
one
the
wheel, bro.
definition of
Oh,
freedom
yeah.
right there.
Wheelie on that scoop.
Bro, I'm ready for it, bro. Let's get it.
Yes,
we have a
sir.
spa day. We go to the ice bath, the sauna.
That sounds good to me. I'm getting ready.
I'll be
I'm
fishing,
moving here, so I'm getting ready to. Oh, I have my ice bath here, but I didn't put everything, set it all up. So I'm waiting until I move, setting up a little spot, and yeah. Oh, TK, thank you, bro. I didn't see this in Zoom. Money to
Bro, you have the sun, so you're gonna be able to get in the ice bath and just get out and just stand in there with the sun. Like that's the best feeling
Dry
ever,
off.
bro.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's like when you come out of the ice bath and you just let the heat of the sun kind of like work the temperature with your body. It's like you just feel this like outer experience feeling. It's just crazy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Especially if you're grounded. If you have like you come out and you're standing on the grass and you're feeling all of these, emotions, and it's just like, bro, it's you for the first time you'll understand what gratitude is if you haven't experienced that.
Gratitude on the ground, baby. Got to get them feet on the ground. Bro, I think I need to update my magic keys. Why don't I see my risk management? Oh. No, that's not it. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I think I need
never
to
seen
do an
that
update
emoji.
or something, bro. That's interesting.
That's crazy.
All right, we're just going to go full margin then. No, I'm just kidding. Full margin on a Friday, eh?
Friday.
Nas, right back up here.
Something
It's a
slick.
good day.
Come on, Goldie. Can we break through? On the 1 hour closure. Well done, mods. Yeah, well done. Well done. By the way, we're going to do our chat. We're going to give away these two 50K challenge accounts here in just a few minutes. Probably going to try and wait for 10 a.m. for a move here at 10 a.m. And if not, we will pick our challenge winners and see where we're at. Yeah, 4 hour moving down. So look at this. So remember, the 4 hour bottom wick was like 8 pips. That's why we can't put our trust in an 8 pip bottom wick 3 minutes into the 4 hour candle, right? More than likely, like Sam said, this is what's going to happen. Because look, as long as we respect this low here, right, we are still good to continue driving down. So this candle can come all the way down, respect the low, and then break the highs and drive up. Right? Because it's a 4 hour chart here. So that's the issue when the 4 hour comes about, is that it can break 15-minute lows, 30-minute lows, 1 hour lows, and still respect the 4 hour low and drive back up. Happy birthday, AB Mike. Yeah, a little birthday wrench there for you. I can't send you a birthday cake or a birthday gift, so I'll send you a birthday wrench, my friend. Yeah.
For the birthday weekend. Any plans?
On your birthday the other day, I just wasn't
Yeah.
on the Zoom.
GJ up, gold down here.
A little slacking, bro.
I looked at GJ this morning. I'm like, yeah, nah.
Yeah, same here.
When I look at GJ, I want to buy it every time. I'm not sure why.
All right, you guys gotta comment on this video. This where I'm looking like a rapper, like in a music video right there. Yeah. All right, so comment on this video, give this video a like, and put a fire under me, man. And sub to the channel. I promise you, if you're not subbed, I'm sorry, but we got to move on to the next person because we're looking for people who are subbed to the channel. So just go ahead and comment on this video right here. And let me put the link back in the chat for y'all. For those that didn't.
Papa Doc.
Papa
What would
Doc.
Nick's rap name be? Stew
That's what it would
Chains.
be.
Nicotine.
Stew Chains. Stew Chains. Stew Chains.
That's funny.
Stew Chains.
And
Oh, man. Yeah.
Two chains.
I'm just trying to be a cool
now
rapper
you're
in
gonna be
this
saying,
video. You know?
Tro.
Yeah, we got 1,000 comments yet? Almost. 919. 919. Yeah, good stuff, everyone. Yeah, hoping that you guys. Oh, I wish all you guys could win, but Stu Chain's spitting bars. I got all that gold, baby. That rose gold, son.
Hey.
Stu Chains. Why you look low in the video? Low. Yo, Sam. How does Sam come up with the most clever things all the time, man?
Right?
Seriously,
Yeah.
Sam, you're gifted, bro.
That's
Yeah, that might be my.
Dude,
my
I think
thing.
that's
It's
your.
the slang.
gifted spirit.
I think that's your special superpower, man.
I don't know. I think it's like sometimes it's just like I'm trying to put words together, but the English ain't coming out how I wanted to. So it's just like
Ding dong, ding dong.
like you guys hear me in the chat sometimes. You're like, bro, what is this dude saying? Sometimes I hear myself and I'm like, bro,
Sam
can I
quaking.
just shut up.
Quaking. Yo, Sam came up with quaking. Sam came up with motion. Sam came up with
Peter.
bleeder,
Juicer.
juicer. Holy.
There was more. I'm not even sure what it was. Quaking, right? Quaking.
Yeah, quaking.
Wait, I
Quaking.
got that from
Not
a video.
quaking. Quaking. You can't say these guys are
Quack.
quaking. You gotta say these guys are quaking.
Wait.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be that said.
Oh yeah, that's right, Louis G. Oh, damn.
Oi.
Man came up with all the slang.
Come up with the bang. What was it? The bang or boing?
Oh
What
yeah,
was it?
bink,
Bing.
bink.
Bing.
Yeah.
Shout out to Sam Capital. Holy.
Shout out Sam.
I actually got that one from a. I think it was like a poker video or something. I watched the guy. He was like commentating over it,
Bink.
and then like he's like, "We need another heart. We need another heart." Bing. We got it, baby. The nut flush. I'm all in.
That's hilarious.
That's funny.
Bink, bink. Yeah, Foster, bink the likes. Give the stream a little bink on the like button. Just click it. Just click it. All right, 1 hour low is looking like it wants to get sniped. Looking like it wants to get sniped here.
Grabbing them orders. What
1,300
are you eating
people.
today? Steak.
Yeah, steak on steak. I'll take a picture of my steaks here for you guys today.
What the heck? I had like pasta yesterday.
Oh,
Day before that, I had
pasta.
hamburger and macaroni. And then I can't remember anything before that.
Yeah.
But I think today, I want pizza. I haven't had pizza in so long.
Sounds pretty good, honestly.
I was gonna
Pizza,
ask
pizza.
for permission. in the
Me
chat.
and the TTE crew had some pizza. Like what was that? 2 weeks ago where we all met up in
Yeah.
Tampa. Yeah, that was fun.
Fire pizza
We
joint.
had some pizza. Go check out
Look at that
TK's IG. You'll see the pizza spot.
pie.
DK, you know that pizza was gas.
TK said, "Fine."
I'm in phase 2 and I'm down 6%. Can you give me some advice? Yeah, take a look. Did you do anything different on phase 1 than you did on phase 2? A lot of times that seems to be the case. People will, kind of get high on their own success and begin to change things. So take a look, see if there was any things that you're slacking on or slipping up on in phase 2. Maybe it's your emotions just a little bit eager to kind of move through it and you only need 5% instead of 8%. Go back to what got you the 8%. Yeah. And then just continue to seek out that next best trade. Don't worry, don't panic. Stay composed, right? Stay confident in you have what it takes to get the job done, and just see if there's any little things that you switched up or any minor tweaks that have to be made or readjusted to get back on track. Simple fix.
Take it trade by trade. Make sure you're focused on the skill, the trade, right? And everything will be great.
Yeah.
Yo, another thing, man. Just don't forget, man. Every single person in this industry is in their own journey. Some people learn faster, some other people take longer, some other people are just gifted and just things click. don't compare yourself with anybody else. You are on your own journey. Make sure you master the skill on your own pace, because that's the thing that I also see. Like, people start comparing themselves. Oh, why is he profitable when I'm not? Oh, wow, he got funded and I'm not yet. Just focus on one day at a time. Focus on you.
AQN in the building. What up, AQ? Hey, AQN called this whole thing back in February last year. He said the channel was going to blow up. What up, AQN? Hey, stick around, man. We're doing a $50,000 challenge account giveaway. 2 of them here today. Maybe I would love to see you win. What's good, man? Good to see you here.
He knew.
All you have to do is comment on this post right here, brother. Now I'm making it even funnier face, chat. See? I'm making fun of myself here today. All you gotta do is come to this this video here and leave a comment. Leave a comment and obviously sub to the channel. Yeah. Shout out to AQN, man. He was believing in us before anyone believed in us. He said, man, these guys are going to take off here. Let's get it.
I mean, I knew.
Don't say pizza. I'm fasting till 1 p.m. Oh, you good, Sam, man. You only got a couple hours. A couple more hours.
Facts, you big chilling.
Hey, you'll be
Big
alright.
chilling.
I can't even get the pizza till later, bro.
Same man.
I tell my buds to risk 1 to 2% max and not overtrade, but I do it myself. Hey, we're traders. We tell people not to over risk, but we do it ourselves.
I've seen that
You know? Hey,
That is
it's all
funny.
good, man. Glitch? Yeah, we glitching.
I'm glitching a Bali soon. Chilling with Rafi.
Hey.
All right, we got
Take
1
you
hour
here to the
close.
beach club and we get a
The beach club.
smoothie ball, bro.
Ooh.
Say less, bro. Sounds like a plan.
fruits. Fresh fruits.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Fresh organic. I love it.
Dominican in the house. Let's go. Wepa.
Dímelo.
Damn it.
Shout out my
Damn it.
Dominicans. Que lo que?
¿Qué fue?
Que fue? I got my mother-in-law here right now. She lives in DR right now, but she's been side questing the US for like the last like 7 months, dude. She hasn't been home cuz my wife has family all in New York and all throughout Florida here, so she's just been literally like traveling all around for 7 months. Big chilling.
New York,
So
Florida,
something.
New York.
What was I doing? Oh yeah, Zoom chat. Great book on the subject of judging yourself. Oh, nice. Thank you, Ethan.
Scott, that sounds like a plan, bro. Weekend plans are set. No one hit me up.
Oh yeah, Scott's trying to come back next week on some real separation. I love that, man. I love
Yeah, I
that.
love that. Scotty boy.
Separation time, Scott.
Scott's an animal, bro.
Nick got my first
Scott, you're a
payout
stud, bro.
ever today. Yo, Sergio, TTE Bank Santos, man.
Let's go.
So proud of you, bro. So proud of you.
Get it.
Big moves, man. Big moves. Yeah, I remember when you came into the stream. I think you were brand new to trading, right? I don't think you had any prior experience, right? I'm not too sure, but way to take the ball and run with it, G. Good stuff.
Sergio. Yeah, attaboy.
Get it,
Good
Sergio.
stuff.
Happy for you, bro. Congrats.
Attaboy,
Yes,
brother.
sir.
Hey, love you too, brother Scott.
It's a big level of determination right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, Goldie. Will the 1 hour show up for us here today or what? Yeah, we want to enter on the break of those previous 1 hour lows. So if we do get a closure below, we may have a possible move here. Entries on the break of that previous low. We need this candle to close below support though.
We got some more 30 support, but like the 1 hour should be chilling.
Yes, sir. Yo, Stephen B's in the house. Stephen B, how many push-ups did we get done yesterday? I forgot to look for your response before. GJ moving up here too.
Yeah, see? That's why I just be buying it.
It's fine.
I don't think I can
Fine.
see anything. I don't see any candles to the left on GJ.
Look at the
Don't
one.
know playing up for me.
Wait, what? Oh, like on the daily.
Yeah, like above the daily. Above 188 levels.
Yes,
188
sir.
700.
Yeah, man. We're gonna pick the winners here of the giveaway in just a moment. Yeah, last call to make sure you comment on that video. Make sure you guys are commenting on the video. And we're gonna pick a winner. Picking a winner.
Yeah, look at them Walmart wrenches in the chat.
Walmart.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Oh, didn't do any push-ups, but I did the bench. Hit a new PR till fail. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about.
I like to hear, man.
New mods. Everyone wants to know who the new mods are after these two mods. We'll have to wait. I'm gonna make you guys wait because I know you guys, like I said, can handle the wait. I know you guys can handle it.
Exercise that patience.
Yeah, we're gonna make you exercise that patient muscle. Only comment once too, because I'm gonna get rid of all the duplicates. Trying to sneak one in there, right?
You trying to get a fast one on Nick, eh?
If you comment twice, you're not getting it.
Yeah, this is the video right here. Right here. Right here, this one.
I forgot we had an orange folder.
Oh yeah, look. Orange folder here. If we come up and make a top wick, we can have sell stops on a break of the low. Yeah, we use the current candle stop as well. Current candle high. Unless there's another, yeah, we may be able to use this 15 high. Don't.
Pending. Tell me what the news is.
Pending.
Whoa, wow.
How we do, Sam?
Very good news for pending home sales.
So
it
good
went
for
up.
dollar.
Yeah, good for dollar.
All right. Good for dollar. So gold should make its way down. Let's see if we get a top wick, and if we can, then we will potentially look for positions here. If not, we will give two people a $50,000 challenge account so they can gear up and get ready for Monday. Yeah.
Sure. Hey, remember, we ain't gonna force anything today, right? We got a full week ahead of us next week. So
Yeah, we did well this week, chat. We did really, really well this week. We what day did the week start on? Is that
Sunday, bro.
that was the 22nd? Yeah, so 22nd. So we didn't take a trade on Monday. We got one loss here, 13 pips, and then 12 pip winner and 15 pip winner here. So yeah, pretty good.
There, the week started on Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
Slight edge.
Yeah, shout out to the team over there at Top One Trader, man, for allowing us to do this, allowing us to change some lives here with some funding challenge accounts and give people an opportunity to show their skill sets off and eventually get their account funded. Yee. Just driving here. No top wick. Ends one day and starts the next. Yeah, gold may drive here with the news.
What?
What do we do with Nas? Yeah, no bottom wick as well. If we can come up and make a, or no top wick. If we can come up and make a top wick, then there may be something here for us on Nas. Yeah, 4 hour, that would be the break of the 4 hour lows there. And if we break those 4 hour lows, we should beeline straight down towards this wick here. So we'll see if we get a top wick. And if we do, then our entries can be on the break of those 4 hour lows there. Yeah, all in all, looks pretty good on the 1 hour. Closure below last time we drove down, so should be good, but we need a top wick. How can I participate in the giveaway? You gotta come and comment on this video that I'm still speaking on for some reason. Yeah, you gotta comment on this video right here, man. Here you go.
Let's go. Is it giveaway time?
I think it is about to be giveaway time here. How many we got? Over 1,000 comments? Yeah. Yeah, last call. Last call if you guys want a chance to win that 50K account. And then we're going to get to
How many
it.
likes we got?
Oh, yeah, we need 1,000
How many
likes
likes
on the
we got?
stream, too. Yeah, did we get that yet? Oh,
Yo, facts.
919.
Ain't no giveaway, bro.
Yo, that's crazy.
All right, bet.
919. Yeah, 919. Oh, we
Sheesh.
got to get 1,000 likes.
Drop some
here.
likes in the chat. Drop
Let's
some
do it.
likes in the chat, bro.
Let's do it
My
quick.
boy just had a kid and he's still here. Let's get it.
Wait, did I? No.
Drop some likes.
Some of the guys who haven't been here in 3 days are like, what? Dude had the kid already?
Man's is still here, bro. Give him some likes. Go.
If I win one, I want to
Hey
give
guys,
two.
by
Let's
the
go.
way,
Yep.
the likes are free. You're not paying for that, so
Yeah.
don't stress too much. They're free.
Yeah.
Dudes
Wow.
are like overthinking liking the stream.
Should I
You
like
just
the
press
stream
a
right
button.
now?
You already press the buttons, buying and selling all the time. You just press the button on the thumb up.
Bags, bro.
Look, gang,
Use
just,
the FOMO to like the stream.
just stop pressing these buttons
The
up
same
here.
energy.
OD. And just press this button right here. Boom. Right there. You see it? Bink. You've already pressed
Big
this one
facts.
too many times, man. It's wiped you out here today. Just give a little like on the live stream. See, even I like the live stream. Damn, gold. Really wanted to see a top wick there.
Bro, go. Come to
Really
you again
wanted
next
a
week.
top wick.
Straight.
Yeah,
It's
we
all,
got it.
all straight. Good business today.
Yeah, we just need 14 more. That's all we need. Here you go, 8 more.
8 more. 5 more. 4 more.
We're so close.
Yeah, this is good, man. We broke those lows here. You should see a beeline down now, I'll be honest. So it may not wait for us here. All right, cool. Yeah, I think we're ready to do the giveaway here. Yeah, let me load up my random comment selector, and you guys have subbed to the channel too, right? I don't want to pick someone and then we see that they're not subbed, and then we got to do another one. Let's just take care of business. Let's pull it up. Oh, what do we got? Look, we're almost at 31K. 31K. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like and sub to the channel here, and we're gonna do this giveaway in just a moment as we watch gold drive with no top wick here. Yeah, see, once we broke those lows there, that's where you see a strong push. Oh, wow, look at that. Like 10 people just subbed to the channel. Aha, you're trying to squeeze one by me. Yeah, we can look you up to see if you're subbed too. So we're going to do that before we give you the credentials. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let me get this up on Google. And we are going to spin the wheel here, friends. Yeah, we're going to spin the wheel. So, last chance here, chat. Last chance. Let me pop this for you. And then, yeah, I think we're good to go. Let me put the link here in the YouTube generator. Boom, boom. Fetch the channel. Anything goes. No replies, no duplicates. Yeah, I think we're good.
Let's go. Who's winning today?
Let's go. Y'all ready? Loading all the comments. Comments are loading. Loading, loading. Load them up. Load them up. Holy. Oh, proud of you guys. Not many of you guys did duplicates. Good stuff. Some of you guys did. Some of you guys commented too. All right.
Claim
Shall
your
we
account.
spin?
Yes, sir.
Shall we spin? Everyone commented? You guys are good? All right, man. Hey, before I do this, shout out to Top One Trader. Seriously, they've put us in a position to help some traders out here. They're a great prop firm. We're working with them currently. I see them doing a lot of big things here in the headlines, and this challenge account is honestly thanks to those guys. Like, yes, I pushed for it, but they were willing to take a shot and you know, give us two 50K challenge accounts to give away here today. So shout out to them boys over at Top One Trader. And let's go ahead and spin this, man. Let's see who's gonna win. Let's pick this winner. Ready?
Top One Trader. Let's get it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Changely. Changely, where you at? That's great news to me. Changely here.
Changely.
Changely, Changely. Are you here?
Hey.
Are
if
you
you
here?
were picked, you're destined.
I don't see Changely.
Nah.
Changely, Changely. Report to the chat. Yeah, this one, if you're not here, there is no, hey, I was in the bathroom. Yeah, none of that today.
We get a
That's
winner
chopped.
yet?
I don't see him.
Chopped.
We hooked y'all up on the boot camp, man, but not on this. So I don't see them. I don't see them. We're giving 10 seconds.
You snooze, you lose.
Damn, this is why we gotta be at. This is why we gotta stay till the end, y'all. Especially when there's contests.
All right,
Stuff.
we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on in 1,
Stuff.
2, 3. All right. Sorry, but imagine they just got to the stream. No. Sorry, but we're gonna move on here. So next one. So we still got two 50Ks ready to go. Let me see something here. Okay. All right, y'all ready?
Gee.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Unbreakable 0520. Unbreakable 0520. Where you at?
Let's go.
I got a feeling they're here. Where you at? Where you at? Unbreakable. Let's see. Let's see. I need all eyes on deck. Chappy getting motion.
I'm looking.
I don't think-
Yeah,
I don't
I'm
think they're here.
doing a
Yeah,
I'm doing the
put a
control F.
trophy. Put a trophy in there.
I'm doing control F. So if you,
I'm listening.
if you press control F, you can search
Oh, really?
whatever
Okay,
word
cool.
you type, and it'll
Oh.
highlight it.
Is that them? Nope. Nope, that's not them.
I don't think they're here.
All right, we
According
got
to
10
TK.
seconds before somebody makes a brand new username. 10, 9. All right. No bueno.
Hashtag
On to the
dipped early,
next.
TK.
I don't see it.
You didn't see him, Sam? All right.
I don't see
Wow. Wow.
it. How many is that now? I just got back and there's 2 in a row now.
All right. We're going to keep moving here.
You can see if they're in the chat. according to
Someone's like,
TK.
well, unbreakable. What was it? Switch username YouTube unbreakable.
Wait, what did TK say? See if they're in the what? In the chat.
Look in the Zoom chat.
Nah, they're
you
not
can
in
just
the
hit the
Zoom.
@ symbol, type their name, and you can see if they're in the YouTube.
Nah, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't show them always. Though.
On to the next one. On to the next.
Let's go. Where you at? Come on.
Please, please be sub to the channel, because I don't want to pick this winner, and then you're here, and then you're not subbed, and then we got to pick a new one, because we're going to do that. So please just sub to the channel real quick so we don't have to do that. All right, we're going to move on to the next one, man. Yeah. On to the next. All right. 10 seconds or 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh. Caleb. Oh, yeah. Caleb, where you at, bro? I'm over here like celebrate. Trying to celebrate for my man.
I'm not here.
Time to eat,
Come
baby.
on, bro.
Caleb,
what do you mean I'm not here? How?
you here?
You give me a second to type. If you
Ah,
that
'cause
that at
there's
thing
a way.
only works if they typed.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. Caleb, where you at, G? He said it's time to eat, man.
Caleb, please. You know the odds of winning this is like.
Oh my God. There's it's 2 people out of how many comments? 1,000. All right, man. We got to move on.
Yeah, bro.
We have to move on.
I don't see him either.
Let's see something
Got
here.
you, TK.
Where's the YouTube?
Bro, we're
Hold
gonna
on.
be here forever.
Where is it? Next screen. Oh, yeah, they might have left in this little dip off here. We'll see. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Unfortunately for them, we have to move on. We have to move on. I think the account is for somebody else. Yeah, back up here. So, all right, cool. Let's pick a new winner. Wow. I didn't think it would be this hard to give away $50,000 challenge account, but yeah, let's go. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is Oscar Gantajas, 2177.
I think he is. I did see his name not that long ago.
Oscar, where you
I
at,
think
bro?
so.
3rd time's a charm.
Yeah, he's
Get it,
here.
Oscar.
He's here.
Oscar's in the building. There he is. What up, Oscar?
There he is.
Congratulations, bro. There must be a divine appointment for you here today, my friend, because you have won this 50K challenge account. So congratulations, man. Congratulations. I hope I win.
Congratulations, bro.
A lot of hope, baby. Let's go. Congrats, bro. I need you to message me on Discord, like right now before the Quakers create new Discord names. Send me a message on yeah, send me a message on Discord, please. Yeah. All right, cool. Next one.
Oscar doing backflips. Let's go.
Oscar doing
beauty.
backflips. All right, let's go.
That
Next one. Last and final one here. Congratulations, Oscar. Looking forward to hearing about what you do with it. Treat it
He
with
must be doing
care.
Backflips. He said, "Give him a minute," and he'll message you. He said, "Okay, 1 minute, please."
Dude's running backflips. All right, cool. Let's pick the final winner here. So 5, 4, 3, and 2, 1, and the winner is Lawrence. Lawrence, are you here?
Lawrence, are you here?
Nah.
No, Lawrence.
Nope.
Going once, going twice,
Since
going
we're
3
here,
times.
type.
Better hurry up, Lawrence. All right, you got 10 seconds.
I don't see.
Next.
All right.
Damn it.
Sorry, Lawrence.
Wow.
You won, my friend, but
Someone said Lawrence is here? Where? I'm not seeing
Nah,
Lawrence.
he's not here. If you do like at and you type his name, you see that doesn't pop.
all right, cool.
I
We're gonna
know,
pick another
but-
one then. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the official winner to the second $50,000 challenge account is the
Oh, McDaniel.
Theo McDaniel. Yeah, Theo McDaniel. Where you at, Theo?
Let's go.
Where you at? Where you at?
Nope.
Where you at? Where you at, Theo? Theo here?
Yo.
Theo, hey dude. Theo, ¿cómo estás?
Everybody's like, next.
They're like, no, he's not here. Let's go. Last one. All right, Theo, you
Damn.
got literally a couple seconds here, man. We gave everyone the same amount of time. All right, man. No Theo. All right, he's gone. All right, man. Can we get the official winner here? What do you say, Rafi? What do you say, Sam? What do you say, John?
I think
Yes, we
this is
are.
it. I think this is it.
This is the
I'll
one.
be laughing. Every Mike comes as the last one.
Yo, if AB Mike wins, that's. He's such a nice guy. He'll give it away. I'm sure. Nah, let me not speak for AB Mike. AB Mike's sitting there like, what, bro? Working on $1 million of capital right now. What you talking about? What you talking about with us? All right, cool.
Just talking about.
All right, let's do it one more time here. Maybe two more time. I don't know. But here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner of the $50,000 challenge account goes to user TC6XL4FM2H.
Come on, bro.
Thanks,
you
Nick,
couldn't
for the
get a real username.
opportunity. Learn a bit. Showing up stream. Beautiful. Are you here? Are you here, user TC6XL4FM2H?
Nice name.
I don't see him. Jario Burgos in the chat. Yo. What up,
Yo.
Jario? Hey, Jario, comment
Jario.
on that last pick, bro. You might win a 50K challenge account here today, dude.
What's up, Jerry? I hope you're doing good, bro.
All right. I don't think they're here, man. Holy. Seriously, I did not think it would be this hard to get this 50K challenge account to somebody.
Yeah, for real, bro.
That's why you gotta stay, bro.
Holy.
You gotta stay.
Yeah, that's why you got to stay, man. All right, here we go. Next up, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner to the new 50K challenge account is Cruising to Profit. Where you at, bro? Come on. Win rate on giveaways needs some help. We have a low win rate on giveaways, man.
Yeah, that's facts.
Yo, you cruising to profits here today or what? You here? Are you here? Wow. Wow. Cruising to profits is here. Awesome. All right, cool, man. Sweet, sweet.
Oh, I see
Cruising
him.
to profits. And Oscar, message me on Discord so I can get you guys the credentials to your new $50,000 challenge accounts. I wish you the best of luck. I have already prayed for you. I've already prayed that it went into the hands of the right people. I ask you to treat the capital with care, my friend. Treat it like your life depends on it, because that is your capital, right? You need capital to participate in these markets here, and I'm wishing you all the best. Wishing you all the best.
Congrats.
Good luck to all the winners.
Yeah,
Congratulations,
yeah.
guys.
Congrats to all 10 winners, but shout out to the 2 winners that were here today. Good stuff. Congratulations. We're gonna do more of these, chat. I promise. I'm gonna get these guys to give us some more and see how we can help traders out. You know, maybe once or twice a month. So yeah, maybe even more than that.
Just make sure you're here.
W.
Yeah. W. Let's see if we got any trades available. Gold is no top wick still. GJ, Nas, yeah, nothing here, gang. Nothing here. I think that is gonna be it. Yeah, shout out to all the new mods here today. AB Mike, Lewis G. hold tight. We got two new mods coming in next week as well. And yeah, we'll have some fun next week. We'll do it all over again. There may be some more opportunity here today, not gonna lie. Just need to wait, you know. Nas can get going here a little while. So can Gold. GJ, I think, is not gonna be in my watch list here for the remainder of the day, but Gold and Nas I'll still be looking at. Anything I do take, I'll call it in the signals channel. But yeah. Any last comments, boys?
Yeah. To the people who won the new accounts, take this account and focus on the skill set on each trade. Just focus on the skill, quality over quantity, and yeah, should be good.
Dope.
And W week, W disciplines and patience today.
Yeah, W what John said. I'm gonna second that.
Stan's just gonna be like motion.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Alright,
want to hear
cool.
me speak no English, bro.
Rafi, any closing remarks, my friend?
Motion.
Nah, brother, just make sure you guys put in some work and get better 1% this weekend. Don't just sleep in your
separation.
laurels.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just be different. Do some different.
Yeah,
Factuals.
I love that. Yeah, I'll leave y'all with that too. This weekend, you can create separation on the others, but more importantly, you can dominate your lower self, right? It's always a competition between your higher self and your lower self. Your higher self wants to win and exceed at the highest levels. Your lower self wants to keep you down, keep you suppressed, broke, and dumb. So I pray that you would feed your higher self this weekend. Do things that are going to separate yourself from the pack. And that way, 2-3 months from now, you can look in the mirror and smile at the results that you've accomplished. So that's going to be it here for us this week, gang. Great week here. Lots of good knowledge, lots of good gems. I'll see you guys on Monday. Yeah, I think we're good.
Have a good weekend, boys.
Brothers,
Yeah.
have a nice weekend, guys.
Yeah,
See you later, chat.
Let's take it
Cool.
easy. It was good to end the week with guys on here, bro.
Yeah, sir.
And you guys on the chat too. Yep. Yeah, take it
Facts.
easy. Yep.
All right, y'all.
Everyone in here.
Peace, boys.
Love y'all. Big blessings to you guys this weekend.
Peace.
Later, Rafi. Later,
Peace,
John.
Zoomers.
If you guys can help
chat.
somebody
Peace,
out
peace.
this weekend, do your part, and we'll be back on Monday. Cool.